Odonya kupon ye wa yeda asumje nyamye ye kanfo da hallelujah Odonya koso anato nyu no mame me ma kwaba aba Adom TV dwumade we ye nkranhyensem na me amegina ha me dwumade ho kya me edi amje so Apostle Dr. Nita Kutowo osomfo ba ko pe eneso so ye koso a ye ka enyina so a ye di yabrabo gina so ebu ye ka principles of life ababo ye munu keke abrabo nyina so ye di gina emra ene ahyenso de a wo hwe so de bu bra ene me de bi so brel ye di kan if you don't ask the questions you never find the answers empeninsi obisafo wonyina kwan so when misa wunya no yie onipa so anopai ensembe na bisa ho didi kan me ye hwan no aka say me onyame nsa no adwuma na me onyame nsa no adwuma de na ese me de mabra boyo obenya no yie se mabra bo tumpon se mabra bo gina pepepe yo so mabra bo gina wodo ne kure so na gina so ade na beba meyi onipa ubisa ho nsem a wonya no yie me ade ba kwa metayo pa me de na me yo me yenkranhye hene ede na beda dia ma ehun se me yenkranhye hene ise me hye nipa nkran kwan ben so na befa so hye nkran je me sua de enya nyansa na se me pia komani manesa ensem bisa no yie ene de bubra in life the more you ask questions the easier life becomes you say obisafo wonyina kwan tosumienu if you don't even start it you can't even finish it one shase a wo hu awieye abrabo bibia wa shase ne awieye when ya wontwa wanka nokura wonti nokure ya ba shase no ene be wo kina ene suban a wo de hye enase no betwa no wo kina kasa wo ka kira wo ne woni eben wo no eben fasodi ama wo kina one shase a wonwie he make yi ejampadu ena ejawebek frimpon wo hye bibiase ewo adesuabre ene wo production heads ewo Adom TV make azekamu ena Thomas won so hye bibiase wo gina Adom nia wo hye ase no ebedum pempenso a bete so aba ya na utwa ba bia hunu se ne na hyase ewo hodema na onipa abra bo hyase o hefa me nkirawo wadwene enti wo ba hyase a di kan hyase o wadwene so wa hyase gina susu ya wo susu ene yeso wan hyase a wo hura no nwie da ebiom if you don't go after it you can't even have it wan kopa wunya wan kwan kopa wunya menu ka se wo kɔ makura no ho a wo nwe so no ho a ebi esi kwan so wo kɔ afuo mu akodo atokoko atodwe atwen kokoko se mfie mienu akire be so aba wo kɔ akɔpɛ wano aduane uti fie na wo dwene kro no ne nsamfo ho na wan kɔpa ba da nya uti fie oba bi atwa mu na hwe no wo kɔpɛ ma obenya so mfaso uti fie na wo hwe akpatashi ba akɔno mu a benya so mfaso ya pepepe no obenya wan kɔpa wonya ti da wonya bia nyina so ene ne akɔpɛ ye ya no bi so se da me kɔpɛ ede na mpese minya wo mu ni ame kɔkan ede so be na mpese minya sasa me hunu say if you don't start it if you don't go after it you can't even have it. Therefore when you are going after something find out whether what you are going after is worth it, whether what you are going after is valuable, whether what you are going after is productive. The awudi e chira kope no esombo, the awudi e chira kope no esafata, ni awudi e chira kope no enso eyemfaso de ma wona abusua na oman ya adwene ho na wan ni a chira nkopa wonya. If you don't move forward, you get stagnant. se wanka anko animu a wo ka akire onyame no won wan say me papa we asem keke ade bi oye no oye se ebedi kan akọ nanim kakrakra ena me gina ha ma atenten a me gina ma papa panyesa na me yebo me na me akwara ketekete me dame na nofu ano na ma me gije me tata ma me nante ye na ohye matade ko school ko sua ade kakrakra me benyini ena me anya me fa ahodie ene me nde abrabo it's forward movement ya nyina faako wo de otefaako ena abosobo ena atwadwa asu ena aye complainant ena wo de wo da biate ho bad day wakwa anim. If you don't move forward you get stagnant. No forward movement, no progress. And it's not all movement that gives progress though. Enyana muntuo bia na mfaso wo so. So because I move forward and you say and I say oh jori da bi. Ana muntuo a ejina suahunu so. Ana muntuo a ejina nyansa so. Ana muntuo a ejina wodo so. Ana muntuo a ejina discipline. And we shall show self-control. And ana muntuo a ejina nyamesuro so. Until if you want to move forward in love, in truth, in discipline, and be a God-fearing person, then you are moving forward. Don't just move forward because I say, well, move forward, I won't ye. Ubu I know I say walk jori keke. Ube kwa kopim. Catch on say ne day. Me tuna muntua ko mani makope dia mepe. Nyansan kwanso. Me kope dia mepe no kura any odo kwanso. Na entra so ade be che no na onyame ayamadom adin hira ehira me. Aha na meja wo na me na ase ama Adom TV adwumafo ko nyinara. Me dana ma dawase. Eja we be kampadu. Eja Richmond. Eja Weba. Thomas. Isaac Amwa na osmosis wo dos papa ni pa be ha. Mitimi mom nyina di medamo ase a ensada. Na wo onya amrehwe am ye de. Nyame ka kira ne se wono nyame entina.
Eso. Yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kutegwa say en nkranhye nsema ode abreye de du so ne Badwam kase. Ne etodwa mu bia wo betini eye Justice Abdullahi say wono wata wonu ma kase isi ni nipa miensa bi enyi won firi ho no wata wonu mo achi eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV at 119 DSTV at 280 uko YouTuber search Adom TV tube kwadomonline.com nsem we ni bebre so ewo ho Annoh Majoy Trish woman na shamata de coming na fe Frederick Opticals ehwemeni nso amame Maureen esiesie nwi no medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni diem yentie se den nsem na nchemu etiem ya wasache mra ewo University of Professional Studies Justice Yakubu Abdullahi ene wose na wata won mo ekasa Electoral Commission chair ene nipa miensa bi yenyi won free ho no ota won mo chi
yato awie ama omo mudi nkuku ni mudi nkunim na ye ajatum o se wo twen na nsa na wo di kan bobo aba no the CSS is an improved because of incompetence, because of maybe a lack of commitment, because of lack of reasoning, because of other matters that affect omo competence. Yenyi free honum. Se nyame boana so mo notinem, no mo ye nhwemu na mo fi se ampa. Electoral Commissioner ene ne mpanimfo kwadu edi abo mo no mudifo a me gidi se efie na no mbeko.
Osan edi to just say
na me kan we na me san kan si so se memfo aso se abribia omanpanimfo for bebia na ese se Electoral Commission. Nemum memfo aso no so nkyere se ese Electoral Commission no so enye papa ese wotena ho. Se Electoral Commission nya papa na se ese na mpredu ansa na omanpanimfo for kra ba ese ekone ese so sanse oman ye ne ye.
Ghana National Education Campaign Coalition na wadeto Director General yayi no foforo Ghana Education Service animo say eba na wo mo de akyerɛkyerɛfo no egugu miamia no a eye schools ahodo no a won kya ne pepepe se be ya adesua ne adekyerɛ ebegyina ne nan so.
The coalition ni de ya de ayehu appointment no ye ni age hu yi mostly appointment ne basa ya na ye hwɛ the background of nipa na ye de na basa oni emeye adwuma no Inti with the background no, we are very comfortable say obetumi aboa ma adesua ne adechira kwaso yie pa ewo Ghana. Inti Osha or Doctor of Philosophy or PhD in Mathematics. And now so our nimdie or research because now or Vice President of the Ghana Education Research Association. Inti say a qualification we in aboma. And my arreshe say Professor Ernest Kofi Davis betumi aboa ema adisuane adechire akoso. Decentralization of teachers deployment ne de ebeboa pa. If he says na if he head office so be a teacher no crampo no be a district education officer and a headmaster no crampo no or to wa onim teachers ayede abre no another category of teacher be or language barrier a problem any ade inti no say decentralizing na district education officers no headmasters no omu be hu be omu teachers ne to a ebeboa.
Speaker Ora Alban Babena ye adwene so beto ne nsa frɛ pani a wɔhwɛ kyerɛ Chief Executive Officer ma Petroleum Commission Emefa Hardcastle na wɔmra wɔmo mɛboa na no attack bi a yesusu sɛ wɔ attack Ora Annoh Dompreh no obɛba na fe wɔmakasa fa ho.
Honorable members, I've heard the complaint. I've listened to the comments of members. I will proceed to invite the lady concerned and to personally go into the matter and take the appropriate action. As at now, I don't have before me a lot of determining facts. And so I have to inquire into it myself. Because we don't have the Privileges and Immunities Committee in place.
Boase Small Scale Miners Association say one yam patadie edebema one mu nuanom mu a one mu efri mu no one epra no ni nyina gina mentime ho asibi ekoso wo galamsefo ene military for entemo kase no etwaso
say dey to abaya nimo say ye ma omu 1 week ama angry god 1 week say omo mbra na enyu omo ensi nkunya enhwe say ye di ye betuye na sa amba na sa na bedu 1 week na sa ye ntehwe a ye mbebu na wo se ye befa ye ho adwene ye see ye mbrante no abo soja ni bituo sa soja ni na ebo no tuo no na ye se omo mfa mbra bonte omo mfa sa evidence ni mbra bonte ma wie se nyina enho se ye mbrante no ko ho ampa ye bo soja ni bituo ana say ye di boni bi ana say ye di tuo ko ye mpo a ye pese sa de evidence no aba ma wie se nyina ehu na ye ho say ampa say na de netie ye hear sa evidence for 1 week say yan ho sa evidence na embrante a wo bo se eba ya embrante a ewo okro yi mu e fa sa de e si ato now ye mpanyimfo no yenda
Yeto Adom TV Badwam kase no so kane Cocoa Board Penny Dr. Stephen Opuni enene order se no ya Attorney General Dominic Anyini Senate charges bi edebo board no or ne businessman Sedu Agongo ene Agricourt Ghana Limited yedebo wo mu ne ye fi so
ne Accra High Court aha na nde Owura Opuni damanso na Sedu Agongo ona asemi wa frɛ Owura Opuni nkanu Cocoa Board CEO na asama oni Owura Agongo na owo court no nde na court na asam no do na asam no awo court from March 2018 nde wo fra asam no za wotutu gwan de se ehwe new Attorney General Owura Dominic Anyini nsama oza asoma mo oza bre court a oside o manga na nyinje anade oyi interest bia awo asam no mu biom nti charges another kodu a waza aboda minyipa benu ni na no watwe ni na asan nti wafo wo ho so nde dam na okosi wo court na wo wie no Owura Opuni ze to santwafo na yim de nyankopɔ na osom no no wa ma na atamfo na ho na won pɛ ne da kye ye nyina ho na yim eguase yenteza ɔde to santwafo na yim.
All power and authority belong to the Almighty God and not human beings. And then I will add that the living God I serve has this grace and has cursed all my enemies, my persecutors, and my destiny haters.
Them ana owura siedu gongo ana Dr. Opuni wana sami wekwewie kojo mensa abrampa na manzebo.
Ayento akase no so na ICT lab wa Saribedi Akosinia High School wa Krokre no abeto dwase nsu eto na nuntamu ni wo ho no ebu nchanse na gumase wonema ewo lab ho nyina kase no etose
asem kitwa enra nwumre nsu kese bi eto ye ne mu mframa ana Saribedi Akon ya ICT lab eso apa computers ana na wo ho computers 50 mako 50 ye student population na computers 50 no kura enso yan ene se atoyenchem we asaba abese no aka ho ya frɛ district director of education ya frɛ ya municipal district wo ya bo coordinating director amane board chairman ya bo na mane PA chairman ya bo omamane ana nananom so e wo kure mu so ya bo omamane sasem atoye ni how I dear brace with yes pa it's say and only the only ICT lab I work eba say no mo fra no nya kwan enko honom emfa computer no enkusua de nti e be how kese abapa
Nana no mo trankonwa ahodo ya nana kwasi ageman wo ye paramount chief ma lower discof edi wani mo no won da mampani John Dramani Mahama se ne Joseph Nelson aboni din so mehwe atoye mantemo so
Some being na ban ye da wana si oyimiam sha wada hyen na fi yenyim de ona bo Joseph Nelson obeye djuma osa na ka se yamba na so nyim nza ma Western region fo yehia se abibia e sha se ka Western region no asama na if Western region no we aho osa da hwe nza ma ye ze boa aban na ze boa omani Ghana money na hwie mpunto a na oyawe oho jode yakuyim chambia ye gina sisiare region fo da nase nkanka hantafo ni sentini de Honorable Joseph Nelson Oshab no party doing as Nabrabo in Antano won. Ocean Nabrabo in Naswa Hunter. Yen Yamba any ete. I won't know for bay. Yen you maninius bur ubuntu. Yen you there be a Basha Honorable Joseph Nelson or Zahuazan Nibur and the choir nozier.
Maminya no so na Adom TV bedwam kase na ha na be makwan na no peye de asia seda no nkoma ho emrani adaje odaroma ye de won krata na online de na to so nti twen ye kwaba ye nche seda se ye mo akwa ba bi emra Adom TV bedwam dwumade no eso ye de radio ase ene ye 29th January kakra radio de ye twa January bosome no ti ye de radio ase papa obambofo papa bi obo ye ho ban anadwo da suo ma ne enim ye ho so hwe ye de that say ufuo ne ya sorry to sati asefo e ya dom no fana sedama no na ye ono e na aye osa obi ehunu ne ntisi wa hunu da yi a se de challenge de tie bia no ye mfana seda e ma no me ne incoming ura akosinsia boatin e de gina ha na ni da kwan pa maybe be ba be frɛ no no abo as we dinamu de amasa ntema mpofo emre no na yenya nye settle 2020 na so de ya na me yadoma be baso be me na me mo ache
afiam joso
na bibia
boko na nso e
ankopon adom
de ya me ase
ye pa boys no
mo ye na ne ba ko bisa masem dia ma dwen ho a me po bi de ahye ne so ne kan asasem kire
emfa nche obi a
me balance mo ti me bisa me se ade na me ko adwuma ntem na mso ma adwuma ne starting tem no so na won kwa asore ntem
ye nyamia ne be ne sa na hwan question e modu when you be na ka che no
bia o me dey show
obi ho no
oh na say dia
ndamoso obara na de be she be nyo na ban ne no sa computer babies no
Annoh dem
kwesi before wo be ka no wadu ho da enti we fan show bia kwesi we dia private me abusa na so no na tifie wo hweta mo ho keka ne sede obi anye wo hwe wo sori dware tena adwuma no hwe okwasi ada na opa sori ye twetwe mu no ne ade masa onya akora we the question dey komo obi na nyamia ne be ne sa nyamia papa oye kwasi si abana nke ase nti no oye nyame no onu e di money ne pa ne ese sere no ho bambo can you imagine onu na de be cheye e da na se pa
nyamina yes
next question be ba de obedwane we mu ye ho amono tamale so yankwa adomonline.com yesi nipa miensa won mo epra etututu akoso magunu mienu ntem e wotamale no we de yaka tututu yi eno ana mehu ayi yesi kimbu ne
akra high
na dia na ba
afa na me pese me kokko tu me hu video no
emiri omonam kwamo
okutase kanyo
e de asem no enkora de makọ school mun ko sua de no moko e de asem a
we me kai amani ampon ne ayi Mampong University ni nyantoko ba de ne nti se de obi agina ne zone
se no na start na abedu ne
no
yansia no e de asema obekọ na guess
e bara kura okuta sekan
na school
no sane school ni
how we de bone de asem na sie no I was penifo and so do maintain casualty bia so bia pro bia umenyante hodie but yes I started just a video na me hu yem say I started at the B
man makelele or in some tudwa say so mbetumi abodwuma e wo sa group yi ma qualify for the next round of the competition and some mom who represent say group ni more than pa
Hey Masola, you know, with Zimbabwe, but I knew that with a huge number of SADC teams, you know, in the qualified for the competition, then I knew that 2 or 3 of them, I mean 2 of them will be drawn in our group, and I'm not surprised that we are drawn with Zimbabwe. But our reaction is that, you know, it's a tough group. You know, it's a tough group, and for the fact that we know each other, and also all teams have improved. So for us, we will try to make sure that we continue where we left off in terms of the African Cup of Nations. We'll continue to make sure that, you know, our team move a step higher, you know, because we want to make sure again that we continue to be an inspiration.
South Africa assistant coach no now yanko piem Nigeria for so ho no after the draw and some of the two draw coach nei ogina mani me bodwuma dia ma omo Eric Shell en che no mo esane no papa yi say AFCON draw na tumba to hwe World Cup qualifiers ne pa ho en nani wo.
There is no little team in AFCON. You need to be focused. And I said a few minutes later, I'm focused on my player, on my team, and on March. We need to be focused on the qualifier, the World Cup qualifier, and after that, in October, we can think about the AFCON. But now we need to win 2 games in March. Let's go to the.
Right, let's go to the World Cup qualifiers. Yes, Nigeria head coach in Samoa Wadia to Adriano. Ya kind of sad ya the Black Stars of Ghana. Yes, the senior national soccer team Wamuhasem and Amaduso Samedi Ebrewe no. And there were calls sir for me who the direction of the technical department of the Black Stars. Now I told you Randy be a member of the executive council. They were told you when you imagine some more pamo otoado. Na and they abe told me say the technical team no yawie. And penny for Ghana Football Association at the Black Stars technical team they call World Cup qualifiers team abe told you Eddie Dim ya be keka ho. Ya nyi ya nhyeda nyi John Payne ceremony ma ma fi dabi ya de bi abe ka ho. Padi botwe e kire mu.
Football Association APAW new Blasters technical team ho entoma Dino Enedidisui. Head coach Otto Addo. Winfred Schaffer, ASCC new technical advisor, and also director of football. Desmond Ofe, assistant coach. Samsona Derek Bonsu, athletic coach. John Pintel, assistant coach. Fatau Dauda, goalkeepers coach. Prince Pambo, team doctor. Chris Peggy, psychologist. Samsona Edward Abebio, physiotherapist. Samuel Ankoma, Mazur. Samsona Giogri, chief video analyst. Awao Salifu, video analyst. Samsona Amidu Shadow, team manager. Issa Amadou, kit manager. And also Abdullah Rahman Al Hassan, so kit manager. When in paying for Makumako Edunuma, GF Executive Council no Apom say Omombeda, the senior national soccer team, the Blasters of Ghana no Sebeya team no ever want to mapa Eframic and San Sebosume match no ya the World Cup qualifier bako ebeshisha so ye ne child ewo oman Ghana mu.
After say a course, you know, the Ebesia call later on, I will show you. So it is Songo stick bro, and you ever heard what countryman Songo working about this technical team. Now, yeah, kind of sad, you could want some from the newly elected chairman of GACA, Raj John Ansa, no then some to say, and this way who say, and Kampa GACA to Fana GD on Maymuno, Bessa Amana Soreja Naswaka, Amamu Ayadepa.
Francis Ambaye, there were programs GACA ye. Abanda than no means as our program na Fibia ye match. I President Cup. CCR substantive minister Popema. Now the program lectures any born on the 5th of March. The second year so you say it where said because they are mandatory sensitivity. If we know ye were top 4 at the still are not a different top 4 because the media can't say until 2019, only just a GACA competition. But after 2019, the BA regulation in the GACA competition into any specifics. We may try as a best to keep to the top 4. Being now coin a benya bit in the state to the top 4, and then I say, one more winning league in the confederation, any Champions League, and go clash with their program. The Bassa as well, there was somewhere under a freedom period from the calendar. It came away in Tiensono, the Busata, the CMN because it's one of the revenue streams that Bagaka and Boy. So these are the basic things I said this year.
Right, GACA chairman, Right, John answer, then somebody to ja and no. Kashan and Somame say Morta Guinness and that can be a sort make come for the amount of pay. Now, Immortal Jacqua Champon Mamia ye a basso in 2 weeks, and see ye could be more do a Morta Guinness near the Quay and I say, Meminim Bicha. In him to trap Morta Guinness and Babanach, releasing Jaya, and Yasam Ketwakra Morta Guinness, and ya come for a day archero and Nanopa. Say, oh, ye be a program be a way be a Morta Guinness. Eba see na say dear so mine no body ne best region Naswaka Morta Guinness say dear say Morta Guinness I hwe the atro proudly made in Ghana symbol eda ho Morta Guinness we move Morta Guinness sponsors abribia mo kan oma ya de Samuel April now Franco Trading Enterprise is say your phone papa nko afi air condition papa fi smart TV papa fi chest freezer papa fi washing machine microwave papa fi blender papa fi ni ho Franco Trading Enterprise. Now, yaka Franco Trading ho asema de show no share so ma me say oko App Store and App Play Store bet ma download your app no. So, send a bear open be atom why and 10 ya sama 40% discount to crown pay we open a Franco 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311. I mean call the man Mr. Patrick Osajeman countryman Songo na yekofa Songo steak. Mr. Ajeman yemo akwa baba no Songo steaks to an pay.
I'm just to be able to
na atom bibia fine na de na ye hwe
we are called Blasters. We are called national team. The Blasters team now almost ashemu kinano a technical team no German coach Wilfred Schofana Uma Fanabana as technical advisor. You say was coaching Cameroon national team that those days. You understand? As technical advisor. Yes. You coaching yet, head coaching in yet. We barely ever convincing many Ghana for say head coaching in yet. But you forced to for advisor. But me taking say advisor, you will be that technical advisor. This German Niano Mukofa and by before Wilfred Shelfer. German need to say Wilfred Shelfer. I don't mean they go far and by. Omudi de chance here call a taking na blasters friendly match. Umkobo taking na almost omudi ne koi. Omudi na ko World Cup di na ko AFCON. Ni na 3 matches advice ane kasa omuti. Advice ano edi na dwene ma wo ma omuti. Advice ane chile wo mo how Ghana football or see ko omuti advice ai ekurenti. Blasters, if you are ye Ediama Blasters coach, think a Blasters coach, even to me at now. Now I they at the wire on office. At me, I they at the bossy a senior dear and Yabutilla coach Blasters me. Those days I could see Apia was using the house. Now I could see Apia Blasters coaching. A Blasters, if he coach, if he office come. But right after say, year kwasi apia fi wona. Mu take you over say, penny baby asem, MP coach na sem. It fie no kura no musa turning into office. Blasters coach, if you are the man of say any coach be obo coaching Blasters bia, obetina fie nim na office sa wo no. Year kwasi apia dia no mutam, fa fie no mo dani e fie no GFA office. Done no football people or more office. What I say, and a one German a technical advisor no officer no use no. No, or you didn't call World Cup, a call AFCON. No mutino. Advice being a German technical director no, and the buyer and I say one farmer woman in the Ghana football to me affiliate to the Saints and Blasters. About 6 matches and 10 matches back up AFCON qualified to me. I'm here draw Ghana and town for Morocco 2025. Now so what's the style she said no man. Meanwhile, Kwano, oh she said no man, sports minister cry inviting me. And the sports minister converting almost man postponing. And ya sports minister inviting with me ambasso. Eti F4 na gaza monche football so my monche national team to my monche Blasters to my no woman kasa now and I say coach ita ye fa for Blasters na o man sika ye di tuaka no ye timi the any minister adwene ho ti ase because minister no gina o man Ghana minister sports minister ye yi ni kura so omo yes technical changes we because already woman kasa ayi wo mo ho enko fo atena o say a Blasters management committee members, all in the name of taxpayers' money. The Blasters and the players be na omanya emfaso Blasters. All because of emfaso omanya Blasters. Oman kind say sports minister. Ye obeko veteran agina tum na sports minister no. Etimi no omo atena se ato adwene. Ami ehun say Ghana for you coach na Blasters coach na asi empeno. Which do one Chelsea and coach no sports minister no betwe technical team and paying for by a management team. Sabu amu hia kura na campaign for by say and wo mo management team no ho and a management team no because you faces ni bebre wo a da bi o ma di Blasters na chi a management team Blasters F is so o mo di Blasters ahwe o mo di Blasters ahwe so I say a power play and football people here. And I say a football association, my Ghana football association, my eti only the power play. And on my national team no, omu here ni omu the Blasters na. Motimi ama Blasters egu n'anim ase African Cup AFCON client me and qualify I was nka mo resign mo hwe so na mo resign no mo amfari an resign but changes na mo ye no the same say baby ejina coach ni a problem head coach na odaso otuado no peanuts out a problem onya de ukofa technical advices e wo wi ase nyina de bre otuado enya de obetie otiase oya homato no an fi se coach ni wo coach so onya de onu wo sa etenya de obetie because otie first one na Germany na mo de ba first one the German na mo de ba first one na entinkie ni ntinga be blasters adruni mo ankasa mutie German na mo de ne ba no first technical advice na kamu football people ntinga be Ghana football adruni be blasters awie adruni eti we just to save mumu face any mu business amodi national team ni here blasters no business amodi here ni amunya wo blasters mu na mudi save mu face keke by way of say oh ye magana for we say ya change technical team no ana ya yent sere wo enti ye kwan bia so World Cup qualifier no bibia be koyi mo adwene ya mo say e kwan bia so World Cup qualifier no it say ye di bibi na qualifier na ye di players oh ye di good players ye di good coach and then the technical team o just say any ye di qualify World Cup qualifier any ye di World Cup qualifier matches edition enti mamu nyama bi say World Cup qualifier no ya kofa on fresh off ba we German former coach so advisor so a technical director enti ni dinu kwanti ni a qualify for World Cup no enenka we fresh off na ye nimso wa coach da ye nimlo say wa coach Cameroon just wa coach countries be even Jamaica wa coach that I stand to be corrected. So that coach, that German, or no, our technical advisor and as a director, or no one also coach only this on time coach. Trainer scout no as head coach in Onyadi, Mutu Ghana for Onyadi. And no, and a Ghana for Pasoko, and no more. Mumubia macho football ni moi, Mudasu Blasters management team moi, Mudasu more management members and that's what the blasters at you. Mumu be more dear actually and yene. Muye blasters at Jumayene, Kugu, Kapudiama. It in situation in Basta blasters are called from say, our blasters are Teno. And Kiayan is saying, more football people, and also can movies resign. A movie in the constant Kumuko, a technical team work, a Omuko management team work. Just say, it technical team we are working. Say, Massa, she said the foot floor, Makofa, German Fuaba, Makofa, a technical, a physical instructor in Abano. Head coach in yet, still, they not scout on the head coach. It advice, I know, no can be Biachena or Fabia, not coach in Akoyana. This same coach, Yana Bessa, I didn't plan about this same coach. Trainer scout here and best free players. Players so young from based on merit. So what is happening? Now they have Unicorn is a sports minister, you know. Football people in blasters for my hair. Woman the blasters are winty, no more plan, no more the blasters here, and no teacher positions ma woman. Or teacher the blame woman. Minister on the first test you were converting in a Jimmy Tuma. Yeah, Ghana force head coach in the yard. Oma force work of technical advice at the coach in that now was a black coach. Yeah, Ghana force football the way it's saying no. We'll make sure say. What I say, Obama football people for no. I am here by way of good appointment. No say fatal your man Juma, no one say fatal your man Juma. And minister him take place. Most of my former management members are the blasters. Minister Yambet in you in player. It is a minister Moba. No to so Sanoma Wisu or to so one country and found nothing was to so one year Muslim minister and you give you to me, Yaman, Kofia Adams. Kofia Adams bit to my Yaman say your convert in your Jimmy Tuma. Also, Kofia Adams mere tea and once it's a trainer scout to Adono. One more pen with a blasters head coach. Sending a Ghana for a who's a coach in Yadia. And a management team also multi blasters at it should be coming from a year abandoned. It should be from the sports minister no. Not only every lazy, but in this case, who names now? Anytime a babontina, every phone and the names about. Utasi because minister vetino and sworn in as sports minister. So why all this? A big trap no master Tiama Kufia Dams. And Nyamia Duma 1 o'clock. And then we able to ask our fire for fire. I'm imagining it said German technical director no Mutina Bang. Utuado as head coach. So MYNAF, Utuado knows who Pamelo. And then can German technical director and take you over grass, coach of the Blasters.
Right.
No, Saya advisor. Because you need experience. We know more than anything College John because they want to protect that their trainers count.
Okay.
More fire.
Right. My man, Mr. Patrick Osajeman, countryman Songo. And now the Songo State. Whenever you are on fire for fire. Abani see no butchera. And now there's a list. And so countryman Songo the able to weigh just the tip of the iceberg. Or what to expect this afternoon. Thank you so much, Mr. Patrick Osajma. We say Malta Guinness. I came on up here in some of the occasion be a Malta Guinness. Now, Charles said, look for the proudly made in Ghana. Na Yachro no. Aha, that's symbol no. And let's say original because I'm on for you from Franco Trading Enterprise numbers. Now, money BM 0246422338 0246422338 and 0555939311. Franco Trading app on download. Na fe francotrading.com. And so alcohol na bibia peso otobia na watimi anya na fast na niam atimi akoye honomo. Na kwe yesi akonkon yede agodi mu nsabrew and anopai. Yes. Bernard Padibutwe, producer. Anopai wo hwen DJ Forever. Yes, abro na pub and night club. Wholesale. Na we tough anopai fantastic morning. Umfa bedwan wo kan sie ni agro cry chew na anopai pa. Ya na wakai e de nankasa kan kejwane ho. Erica Siedu Bodini now, the Edway, Yapomoni on some bet was you, yeah, na Fidia Kaba, Koswa, Nehe Begum.
Mame Mwakwaba, na mena wasenden some Adom TV, bedroom health tips, so media fear among Kwata Maklo. Now what you one can young Hodwada Nebnada, don't worry, Koma ye dear no say protect my little lungs, a young crown in a casano, Unia no debekasa, no far and in the force or casa. He say you're forcing crown more Madriani baby and him or festal, yes, who be one near only one a bedi, ya ye be a Yamia Dumtine, your manity as ye, and nay, Siadi, Miss Show, and for so wa crown, wame. Unless a crown only do cram and a swat to shim, and in the phone will have Fanibra Hospital, said the Ombe. Fasedama endpoint for me particular clinic and yaba piku. And I watch you move yedin como a fan corano said ye feedy woman, yen feedy woman ye young position of me. I do how bro mo crown po. My menace catcher say to me, Kumo, a yampa. Would make me can story be brave, or by next year more quaba. Na ye nasi, and all my courses no. And then so ye hear signs and symptoms.
Okay. And draw course me cabak.
Okay.
Me the shim.
Oh, fuck home.
Oh, courses no. And drama can say, send a young position, call I force your money and more channel. I get back on so I yesterday when they say, a to see drink bottles, mamma, for your pamocho. And Pempino, your man call bottles, no. It says, see, honor be more. No, not Jenny say, and so, not Jenny say a drink into your condom, a berry trino. No, I call no, mamma, phone bedroom say, your sister won't know be beside your mouth. And go and bidie. Na o ma o musadie no kokko sese obefe na afie ni mu no ofe no ebi betumi akohye na hawa ya mu na de another how because ekohye mu ya hawa no eyemfa mape washing powder ne sa niema ne kogu mu no e de how na bi na ebre
okay and ye hwe ye ya no anuane ye adwuma kese no sa de ne de especially sa bleach no hu kra ni nsuo no kala na ye pe ti de ho ken bottle wa nsuo ma ye no 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 wo de bi gum na wo si niema na wo ja kra no wo ho a obakwa akofa no because onimse no na de ma no nsuo ni ade nti mesremo muntie ensemi ye odo ye nto aso ne hwe signs and symptoms
when say mpempi no akwala no ufidi na ebi akogu na hrawa mu when say ohome a ensi so na nani ayesa ubehunu nso so na afede ne ho osweat obe tin fifre sa we be say another na ekoso amebe we ya lucky obe say ebi fini hwenem eba wan ya lucky na wonnim say akogu ho no na obe say ohumi ensi so obe ka say me fidi ni wi amede ne to ho me oho me kose me kohwe ohumi engina so na waya ebinom tumi sensen wan hwe ni ya obe kompo na oba no
wow feeding keke when feeding it to me the way ba ana se wujija liquid UBCC no a eno so to me the way ba wow me kai pass am say London be 2-3 years ago parent bi oya mo ye Ghanaian so so feeding e basa na e bro so ya che no I was surprised oh ade until say wo ka we na na say
enkwala hu hia wa buhwe wa ni man kwala ya number 1 priority wa buhwe nti say wo ye bibi na akwala no bibi koto no a yetumi si o Ghana na ye mbra ne ntisanti
Ghana ha kwan so bi si ye
Dinam oba ye behwe na akola ne ho aton ba brochi a ka ye wo ya hwe akola no wo ma na
wo da wedu ya chew
bia wedu
wow o chenya mbo e beto aso enti eno ha ne yaka no ukona oba wo hu se wa fini hwini mo ba ma wani na ho e kina ne ye behwe se koba ne sa den na wo se me ye wo fie because me sure se koba ne se ya ya nso mothers ne ye ne in-laws no ne ade ya wo ye ho edru e wo fie kina kan ye ho na ye nto aso fa sedama endpoint homeopathic clinic ninti ene ye wo piku Kolebu Teaching Hospital ya ye di sa enkomo ye fia amankwa tamaklo nkwa hoden wo ho kina e besehia yada se ye mo akwa ba bi emra Adom TV bedwam dwumade no so ye da erukasi de bodi ase odi agudi mu nsem no abreye health tips no so mejiri ye se u follow na usua de titu ni abatan no aha so ye nani so ye grandma so ye auntie obi a nkora no yesusu force o mu feed wo mo especially nkora wo mpenuane no Mr. ye endpoint homeopathic clinic won Roma na yitimide health tips dwumade no ebro wonti yare bia hawa dwen a titu ne prostate ne female fertility scanning no oye ni free enti baby awo bia no for number no sesie na ene doctor nkasa kone ko yes scan ni sesie Razak Adaroma nye enimtia ne mum woni weba mu wie pe ko endpoint wo no nko check 0244867068 0244867068 endpoint homeopathic clinic the end to chronic disease yada say media fear amankwa tamaklo na me doctor ko ye afi no wasabu ko hyemwa dibronya na dinu ye na so ma new year na ende ansa na waba nti utie 16 na medima forever clinic wa eni yare atiase doctor time da so aba na ye mu akwa be ye mu afisha pa
afi commentary na ensan ye ho
afisa se ni enyina ye tiase
inshallah
na nkwane ahoden wo ho
inshallah
na nyamegu so eboa ma apomuden pa
yes
medima for Herbal Hospital ayalsa papa efie na mamenchia Adom TV ahwefo nyina mojoso
say 2025 we ne bra edin kan ya mapiem wo Adom TV ene eye inshira
amen
enti ayarsa no so ebeye inshira ene efi se intense on se bebro ho a obekasa wonko no na wono ani ho kwakototo enkrofo bi mu wo ho ba ena no pay ewurade ayadom doctor ewo pokuase mayira medika kasa mayira wanya anyira enti anopay me kasa free ha me kwakotena se
okay
dwumade be na ne kwakodidie onhwe Adom TV da no ye na ne da edikan no dwumade mi kodin se ewurade de yare nyina so tumi asemensa ade de wo a wo hwe sa wo pewo sa wo mpe sa wo beti ase sa wo nti ase sa wo gitum sa wo nyitum de ewurade pe na wo ye dada meni wo mienu apomodin penti meni wo mienu ayare senti
na awurade ma me kwatena kwayem adaduanan a ensuo ne aduane ankama no ebi abura na me kyene akomkyene 40 days no na wo ti fufuo hu di enti tumi awurade de ma yemi no na enye peda se ba kasa adoma kyede kora egu ahodo wo se yesu o ma talent no ma wo bi baako o ma wo bi mi no ma obi mi yensa se de obi ahoɔden ye de etitie enti yale bi eni ho eba medima fo herbal hospital na esan na ki kofie da ebi nsi da na ebi nso ensi da na obi ho ha me kasa ne waba ho baako mienu yale na ode ba ye enkonwie enti asa bia na otia ide atena no na me ya na metaka atem bi se ebra Yesu Kristo na suafo no okoto obubuani wo asorodan no kwan na no bubuafo no sire ni sika wosi sika ne dwete die meni bi Yesu di mti sore na nante esuafo kuro ya koto obi anu ono yale etwere omo ye ya omo ntuma nsa na yale na nye se esuafo no ntumi nsa yale o ba yale bu ha tumi ekura mu no gisa de awurade de tumi ne hye ne nsa no edobo aba medima fo mienu na bia doctor say won ntumi nsa na yale a enjeresa na yale enko wo medima fo herbal hospital ebia na ohia doctor na awurade nam no so no wokoda awuram adaduana na nkasa enti anopai wunti me ba betena se ewo pokuya se mayera me kasa furi ha hia me ewo pokuya se mayera medima fo herbal hospital ene me se ampaya ebedwa ene se bebro ho ayale a wode ba anopai wo si mafurifi aba no on san fa nkofie da ene de awurade aye enya ade foforo awurade ba be ye nene waye ayayayaya so obi de yale ba be pie mu ne na wonya na yare sa ene de ho adan se ye empim etebe pe ebi a wobubu gudem untumi ebi kura wo kire se ye pagya okura wontimi mpo na kem ba me se edon yi mu tumi awurade de ahyem nsanti se de obi ka se Yesu di mu soro nante no ntu awurade mawo won pagya wana pay se de be yi a obetumi afaka ye de aba medima fo heba hospital enti anopay be piem na doctor time doctor ewia se nyina gitum se ono pe any doctor wo hyebere to yale so doctor we no kan nansa oka enenan oka enenum nonsia ye nonsia nonso ye nonso ne brempa hunti na edini ye Dr. Time da so enye me na me bo me ho nsamra ne odi asi enye me na me ma me ho edin time da so no ya yalefo a ebepiem na se doctor we de ukwa wo shawo time everybody de bre na ye na djuma enti anope wo a wada de mo che wo a wabubu ache wo a chese wo yale no wako enko stroke abubu akudem ebi kura obu won so de asa wako asa eko asa enko emfie num ni wono waye tiasewuo ni se wono a wontimi nkwa adwuma wontimi nya bibie efise onante na otu ne nan pa ne nan no mu odu na ne nan no otwenase ne nsa no na beti ni ehwan enti ne nsa no so edan ho ontimi mfa nya bibia mi patro saafo ne nan no pei se unyame ye wakwanya na wo hwe Adom TV a wo de entena se enka se metwen kyena na se na de kinye anopai ya hia me na awurade eye awurade pese wo ho beto de a awurade nti anopai a ekodu na nwumere na awurade amma ne nsa so na waye yale safo efri se obo wose mekina me nko ba bia biem kese wapa ba wakomie bebre eya na me wasem bia metaka ne se nipa bebre wo ho a bebre wo ho am pim ko yare a eba nkrofo nya ahoto se de obi ko ma na yese yemfa no nko konfo no chi na ekwan mu wote se fa no ko medimafo na wo firi enkoko eba medimafo ono adi adanse se ye di papa ba ye edi nansa ansana papa nani etie na nani tie obi a wanya 86 na wayale abubu aduru sei na eni na enu ni nansa wo se wo te ni koku enti senka bebere wo ho a enka wo te minka ewo wo no ne bere so enka wo te minka anka sa brinka ye wo nipa bebere ho a wo da so te ase esansa wan te minka nti yesi wo mu nyina me ka sa last be lady bi of you come de chem so ba me ho oba na ye diabetes na ne sugar na 26.5 e dey 2 weeks oba ye no na 7.5 wow lady no ebra ye check wie ya ye ma na duro na osu na me say na wo bi a 26 na ba 7 na wusu e no say nye ne de hu na osu diabetes na ekum omame omame de ya medu 26 e na wono wo wuye enti se wono hwe 2 weeks pe no ono fi 26 aba 7 ya no mi se senka omame te menka na nkono so ba ya kasa brenko omame ye dey oda so tiase eno ho yaw eno wodi su eti anopa wu a TV da Adom TV de ebi ye awurade na se fa TV no to ho ene anopa yi na ye wo doctor awurade de to me ahye ne nsa wode ebre eto yare so sa doctor ne be piem Adom TV ene anopa yi enti baby biela wo se ye wunu bi na yalo papa bi na yalo ka che ne se ya so ye mienu pe e wo Ghana mem ha nyina kuma se ye bu akwa agogo ena akra ha eye pokuase mayera me pacho da biara da friend eda ye adwuma ye ni holiday enti o me pie mo medimafo heba hospital fisa wo yale na wuduru medimafo na medimafo ani ama wo hwan biem ebra edin kan a esikafo ehiafo enyina egi ayalesa kro na ahoto eba sikani hu tono hiani hu tono because of say doctor say wasisi na yalesa bia kama enso faka krebra beje wayaresa faka krebra beje wayaresa doctor we pe na all saw yale na wasanzo che wade hwe akyade ahodoa ye che no o my Ghana mu waba hospital na ba benya wayaresa no edu bre bi wase card na wo de ba hospital no fa sa card ne bra beje TV fa bra beje emo fa bra beje mobile phone last year crowd the doctor birthday wonu pe ena ebi si da say bottles na waba beje no hospital edru na wabeje na wanu ma wie no sa bottles no boaboa no this year ye be say age afri June o bottle da na ya wo no no entungu o boaboa no antu de enu ho no nya bottle ma wo de fa ni nyina bra medimafo heba hospital wo de tan bi aba coupon baako tan bi aba coupon baako enti enu doctor birthday 21st no na wo bottles adults last year ye check car na e Toyota Yaris this year doctors obeche CIV e Honda oh yeah
anu I kesi
oh say on say the why you be pain on the say the why you be pain or no ka so obeya yenyina chi enti doctor ye de bro so anano bro nyen eniema ye che no kumase eniema ye che no enkran o kan nyina bo mo edos ne bo chen CIV kai what you see now this coming 31st March 31st March ye besa ye donation wo kumase 31st March no kumase ye che TV no mako 70 ni a che mobile phones 30 e ba jo mo nse date nso e ye first ye ka ye che TV 70 e ye first 70 of the day danwa e ye 31st March e ye Monday some Monday nipa 70 e be di kan wo hospital wo obi abenya TV nipa e ye kumase nipa 30 from 70 to 100 no e ye mobile phone afedi aka nyina ye emo ani anwa emo ni anwa 31st March and adwumadi wi ye bedie bipacho ye wi a akrade no ye ya ne bosome so na yaba be akrade 31st April na yaba no 30th April and yaba be akra so edie no we nyina kire dwumadi kura doctor edi o ba beje wayaresa o beje akyede we nyina ntimi ka kire se o yale na o be piem wo medimafo heba hospital a right place ayaresa no so ba ye the time beto so amount ye kasa nansa e dey na nigi say oyarefo ayale abeduru hone aka kyoto ma me woyale nansa ho beto enen nan ho beto ebinsi ba bia gise me dimafo herbal hospital woye bema na utie me emfie dunie wo bema ntimi nsole da anope me catch say bepiem anase hia me wo me dimafo herbal hospital 24 hours obema no betimi asole agina oba wo peba me say ya woduru enye numbe wi bitua bi sabi di bitafre bi eti say one thought wo dugu wonu guna anajuju bienu me patro onu wi ana na ukuna hia mu hia bi boso mi nso na nyinse na ba betom nyinse betom wie na watua hoka bema wo low sperm count ye say wontumi nwoda enye medimafo herbal hospital be pie mo bi ko eho na doctor said the tie any hweka ewo wonwemfo nsem no saa na yale bie ni anu ye ewo medimafo herbal hospital ewo doctor Tam da so nsem because we are say you see obia won the master yale nso master any doctor Tam da so nyakopon ya adom ekina so ena me kwatena se ekina ya wada metena se Friday a premium service person about premium service over for and now book your appointment on Friday no me patch of different between juma any premium service premium service no who book here you be more time say fabra time no duru ho open na ye ba be show enti de wom no e wo medimafo herbal hospital no yare sade if ewurade na me say wo be duru medimafo herbal hospital na wo na so do yare esrese company wabusuafo a che dia e beti wani so e wo medimafo herbal hospital wo bi si anopa mi sisi me chika se me kotodwe me ntimi na me widie mu chichimi wonya ka akonhia wo na mu abu wo nsem abu doctor see yale wo nyina ye entity ya case gidie wawuo gidie yesie no pe eno bedi medimafo onya yare sa na unwi yensie na yale na hawo efiri witiri nyisu kosi wo nase yale bia ewodin eni din biala ewurade adom odi yale nyina tumi asemensa entini eno ho na mekwada ewuram adadua nan a ensuo ni aduane ankama no enti be piem wo medimafo herbal hospital na doctor what a better yale so the nation's doctor or what to me already to me atensa na ayaresa ekura no ono pe na wonam so benya wonkwaje enya wayaresa enti be piem ewo medimafo herbal hospital Dr. Time that so or the time better wayare no so de wawo ni de yesie no pe na obepiem a medimafo herbal hospital yentumi numbers ya didi djuma anope a wo be frem 0244 774282 0500 727215 0245 449592 ufre numbers we nyina eba medimafo herbal hospital chiame na me fa Tam ento yale ne so
mo Dr. Time da so na otene kanenti ne contact na wase no medofo frɛ so bodin so amodin ofrɛ no a ono obedi enkomo ukoho nso a se de waka no akyede enso ekoso pa tie ne Dr. Time da so eni nkomo branches ni emienu enkran eni kumase enu ni drugstore ana pharmacy shop biemu hospital ntu ukoho a ye be show sane amodu tie no na admission ekoso St. Andrew Senior High School ena efri abatan wani aye on toto fi so about na onya school so fanako St. Andrew Senior High School SHS 1 to 3 one more edge or more board and more hostel so e wo konti bia wo bia obetumi de no aba St. Andrew Senior High School asim for so more Rich FM dynamo na mankesim niwe du bia se shama dunkwa wono fe se hwi asanwe so ne nkran ho nyina branches wo for 0244 696911 0244696911 and 0207891004 na one St. Andrew Senior High School penny 4 edi enkomwe meyemfa birthday no entwaso na yewia sister Sandy B oye guy obeba enti happy birthday enkoma Abigail aka na Abigail nurse ni wa Woodbridge Virginia USA patch of Abigail de ne to homa madaroma pa msho oba bi na da ho no Abigail aka na oye nurse ni ewo Woodbridge Virginia USA. Happy birthday Eradin Koswa Insha mother of 4 na uluku this sexy dia eni eduma wo ye ho ma onye nduru me ati ase because I'm more than 4 nyame na yensa iti happy birthday Abi nyame show onyo kese abna kokua ahwenye and always show so do pa nyame show ontina ni so encho. Happy birthday so call Emma Sewa Francisca Tanoti Sewa Francisca oye final year student war University of Ghana o papa Justice Edward Chung or a high court and always show a happy birthday koso ane make daddy proud onyo kese umaso mfra dumu enko adumu sanso na Princess Asantoa Chung. Happy birthday koma Princess Asantoa Chung Gateway School Complex o papa ena wish you happy birthday Erade Inshaw onyo kese isi se obeye kese pa sanso na efia sikapa wo Prempeh First International Airport Health Officer away from Enimwa and always show a happy birthday mpacha ofa efia sikapa to so mame efia sikapa wo Prempeh First International Airport or a health officer Enimwa na de benti efia sikapa ene da so no ba o hwa pomodin mu nsam ewo Prempeh First International Airport Eradin show na onyo kese sanso and comfort Jawa happy birthday Isaac Keno menyo and I will show a happy birthday Eradin show onyo kese kuzi so be kese obi odu a wo de ne bia happy birthday Eradin show mu nyina ba ko kwatenti ahodin wom ene de mamo sister Sandy B oye guy oye krado etwaso
yeah mamo ache mama kwaba world of entertainment here chegu ebi na me dey and the brain na chegu oh sorry ade chibia obi for friend ade chibia obi for obi bika wari ase just say ade nya chiko obi di konkonsa Ghana celebrities yeni o sister Sandy so samabo ni de somo me need the Sandra or him ametiwa adwuma nyame adom entertainment am Ghana for tremu a woni sa Sandy na we dey jayo oye guy sister Sandy be a guy one and only guy is Ghana's entertainment prophet Kalana abwa for time to say more pay just say omo doors oh Sani anshoma na ye de me yanke be sa agbobi wana director we ba live oh anshoma ni mu ayede by now no eja dem won say you do eviction na ya na obi ayam hyehye no nti we na was say we vote my favorite contestant hwehwe favorite contestant wom ye nani ana ye Bernardo ye therefore ye Quinasi ye hwan ya Little Angel ana say ye Star Boy obi bio your favorite wom bia but modern ahwehwe ni code na toma no because they draw ne die but this year me sure say agent akwade this agent akwade because tadi for na aka wo me kwa dos nti I say orekodo e dey to my favorite contestant one Kenos Moses bombiem efama yaba na sana okoso me beba SCI na me hu sesa abaka me tikra no okobufu amafu all attendant etimi apai ne car glass na mo bua sa ade achi a obo our Father who art in heaven hallowed be thy name thy kingdom come we are waka say give us our daily bread na nyame answer prayer na ma daily bread via no ama ebufuo ama daily bread no aye banche because shatamichi kobufu well oyonko etimi atamade e dia bowing screen ma pie glass no but e be asem dey am pe two sides it's me basse bia na all trances bi ko so na ebufuo bi bam na hye no so pie glass no etimi so basse wa anya hwe na oni no ana ye enti nsam de bebre na ekoso making o be person obehwe video na ba meboa ala say shwani so ade you know, say na a coy and I'm in same weight here one trim. On the society, I'm a member papa. Two faces in buying them homes as I met my mobre. Yeah, this year more fan chay. And member bre because society, no, I Kevin in the way say, they be our buyer right. Society, I'm a member sugu mumu. Society, I'm a member cranes me, mamma, and never come as some. Where I go say be one more quiet ding. So, Ebi, would you know I know my rights? I know to do so one more quiet ding. They be a castle bar, no matter what, and the bear matem. Tieni, a buffon a bebo, so chain the penny so position say no, and the bear matem. Oh, yeah, I know my rights. One no, it's me a quiet ding. One no sweating, I and sans with me but fast. I'm not tolerating violence. No, never. Yan to us. Say to us what? Me you have my coffee molly apostle get gangster. Or be sure in Sembia, my main being so more. Say I wasn't no wing coffee molly and can say makoma video no. Also on a sack one you be no expect to say you don't be bona feature na I was a video with me name or represent. Let me say molly because sack appeal video number. But last week, I ran to a social and it's why I watch and some near the and Molichim said, I was ready to shoot a video, but never got a response from SAC and team. After multiple tests and calls, I let that slide. Okay, Kofi Mole, we could SAC and it could be a question. Go and Obede, number 1. I'm the best MC from the ghetto, C9, cemetery, don't test me, punchline, way back. Can Tony a dear chelop. One also be true, be man and say, yeah, mom, mammy, din nakakra. Miss Ramo, Osmo Bomae, no true cheese and many aji, because I'm a tree advocate. It is a wit me so wit me tree now. Namania Japan, so war gun and need this a Hong Kong. It was a yeah, mama, me didn't nakakra. Miss Ramwa, have no idea about this. And if it's actually happened, there was miscommunication somewhere. Only responding to this because I got love for my superstar, Kofi Mole. I don't play games. I'm in or out. Oh my God. Obede yada one was one. Next apostle. Send your penny, Casanuti, your penny. What's the issue? Be any hope. Opanyin so de woni a no woni o se wonyo no so enyo no a sana sakote opoasem so de na ya mutu enti no ane see aba ni say no abranche ba kwa ya uniform Minister of Communication Creative Arts abranche a Creative Arts for na yi ni say Minister of Inchemu BBS e wo so obechiem na Ghana 40 I say me nua bema DJ Slim Slim start ya check Slim na me no kuma say STC radio somewhere 2208. It is Slim na muhu ne sa no so wa che wa agro papa kuma STC radio ho starting kakra na no de aba hit FM no. It is o kasa onim bibia no so no onim because wa dore ache e wo industry nim so one fact. Enti nhyemu ni bimba now so odi bia I achoke.
What's happening?
Everything cool.
Everything cool, Mr. Sir.
I'm being informed that you are the person who was supposed to shoot that Makuma video, music video for Kofi Mole.
Yes, sir.
What happened? What really happened?
Do I even know? I think we set the first date, SAC didn't show up, second day, SAC didn't show up. And I think we have to use the same idea to shoot another music video. So that's what happened.
So you set up 2 dates?
Yeah.
And King SAC did not show up?
Yeah.
Were there conversations? Did Kofi Mole actually engage SAC, or did you engage SAC to find out the reason why he did not turn up for the first day?
No. I think he was the one in conversation with SAC.
Okay, so it was Kofi Mole who was in constant talks with SAC?
Yeah.
And he did not get any reason, or the team, as in the production team, did not even get any reason why SAC did not show up?
No, I think the dates were not working for him.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can also be waiting for, like, let's say you keep certain dates and the person's showing up and you're still waiting. I think it wasn't making sense.
Now, if the days were not working, why did Kofi Mole tell the production team that you have a video shoot on XYZ dates?
I don't know who exactly Kofi was talking to, but if you are not talking to the right person, the person can tell, okay, let me talk to him. Maybe you can do it on Tuesday.
Say na ekwo here na Osmo Jemu mame. Na mami take you back akwa. There was some time Dope Nation Free Links Entertainment. Once I know more under links. And I'm using catch up say links case no. Ebe do my chin. You can't links case you're saying. We have more Free Links Entertainment in na. More brother hits. I mean, Kai will be to say ASEM easy, baby. Easy, and I say medical. I think you're telling ka. Why be biggie boy loving? I mean, funny currency. And why omodoso? If you quite so free links, I wouldn't hit. It's where more free links no Dope Nation. Na Eugene catch on say. Yeah, they are. Case never count. Enti enra me no industry for be brain say I'm using links so they were free ho. Idea that why maybe a public maybe money. But it is there say we free ho. Na kwam using no. Ono at me any beat. Kwam you know at me tro na nyum. With me master sound engineering or ya idea. E tro trauma other artists. So kwam using shada nyu obi obebre. What I say? Was I a Presbyterian as yeah, ma sorry ba. Asum den kan. Presby asafo a church boy or no tonyum. Den here no shiri here no. It's a Dope Nation, so let's see how you carry the so-called links case. Now, what was meant for 4 people is now for 1 person. We wish you well. Almost our target, you know. Where this is how we like it on the street. When pass my now the wine out for me, a baby, so whiny. No what target, no simple fair. And no my target, not quite just to the way by. I am a huge response, no. And on no switch, must say. Anyone looking for attention to drop another gym song underline the word gym should wait. I'm dropping a classic on my birthday come Saturday for quality music listeners, and then I'll make some time, okay? Wow, ready. Bars, my nigga. There's a Eugene the atum tala or the bosso say yenyanum Dope Nation munyum nina kwa nade nyum. They are fan na dear what gym, they are the boss skipping, they are the squatting, gym for you. It's not me, Bobby Archer, say, wow, what me. So, her you me, a gym song, and I miss me, person, I did Nadia no penna. Make say, a gym band pen and a fat, she, and I say, who did Nadia? It's a bush and some abbot to But when you Eugene her right, I'm telling you, more celebrities and coffee brave handle my account tomorrow. Only time me sing on no handwriting. But one thing is for a fact, nipo handle page na head na baby sa will pay me shansana. Watch ro. It would the one no punchline wedding. Na me chia DJ AB Kena Roja Harold, the chairman of paper. What? Yen twas. Your baby girl. Osmo Bomma, your baby girl, one and only lomo. Oba ho fefo, me nua be ma Kofi ya say. Echemwa wani osmu nyina so mo don men fan crane for mu nia ba so kan share kuma say happy birthday very okay post beautiful girl, beautiful baby girl just a kokokoko Veronie international happy birthday baby girl me kuma me nua be ma na yere ya do pa gay en kan be bra higher pa. Happy birthday sweetie, we love you. From all of us here, you say, oh, you're a family member. I mean, sure. One man, don't know what come as well. The ocean piano, I feel querying a media shame at the amount. Happy birthday, Vero. Yent was so. Vows Day, Beba. Vows Day, dear Ghana, a quabua Becca, and a quabana. But Vows Day, and Casapana, a quabana issues of love. And I say, yeah, KB, nay, Becca, Beshe, while almost so young. But hey, a quabua. This year, Mr. Bomo Modiana, ye show. Yegina, himself, na we show. And Castle will be any day into Wedja, Quabana Quabua. Unia ba na kasa no pay. Ye show na sa fa me MC. Be me MC kwenti na me abri say ye show no na fa me dwuma wate. Me nidi, me nyina nidi fa me. Me nye show no. Kwabna kopie mu o me nua be ma DJ Slim ho. Na say na koy.
And Tourism, Arts and Culture Minister Marco Krikumanti said you became a bigger artist after endorsing Akufo-Addo.
You see,
I don't know. You heard that, right?
Yeah, but see, there's clarity in what he was trying to say.
Okay.
I mean, listening to it and then having a conversation with him about it again. He was of the view that there are so many artists who've done something political, and it looks as if what they did actually affected them in terms of being able to still be out there doing their business. But then I'm a case study that even after endorsing, I mean, my brand became bigger, which is a fact. But it's not like because I endorsed, that's why my brand became bigger. That's not what it means. What it means is even after me doing something political, I still was able to go about my business and grow my brand as an artist. So it has nothing to do. A musician's career has nothing to do with anything he or she does political. I guess
with political affiliation, you can still
be bigger. Exactly.
That's where he was coming from.
That's where he was coming.
It's not that like you tapped into the fan base of the MPP and then became bigger afterwards.
That's not what he meant.
Okay.
That's not what he meant.
Well, so you actually had a different conversation. Yes. You spoke to Honorable after.
Yes. I spoke to him about so many things, including this. And yes, and listening to the tape, I mean, you can understand that that's where he was coming from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is Hits. And this is Adom TV. Yawo Aza Oye. Makweba ya me director. Mimoshi me nko Germany, Düsseldorf. Na me nchia me boss Kofi Ampedu. Ene ne ho kani na me nchia na asew. Woni yesu dru Germany wa. Se wo pegane aduane padie. Wonu ene sine na so so no no ye Ghana fo nyina hema e wo Germany ho momi anopa ye chia wo ya te won kra no yeso da CP pa iti me de besi kena osmosis sound engineer osmo bom no monto nka eno no we be say no osmo bom no ye hwan na so osmo no bom ne nka ho me di ni ye kena osmosis bom ne ye wo bon se mama waze MCR so masene OPD me da OPD be producer Kaswa Beyonce na kwa efia mankwa so Kaswa Rosalinda munya me producer was there mo Kaswa sound journalist will make up department Eddie cinematographer Master Ijwa Frank Akpazwa ana afi so no original me homo nyina me de besi nyame adom a efiada ebi ba nko ade a me de besto mo ebi amakwa me de ho ba be hye wase Kofi say yenkodi lomo birthday. I'm the guy scream. Oh, my mission.
Sister Sandy be a guy. Asemi yidika.
Ya na Nyankopon asese na adom ne pe na no pe so de ache yen. Wode na da nyina mu so ache na adom ntiera so te ase tekramada abodwe na moja edi emu afrusane. Oti ase na mo ani nye. Ma ahurusemra akuma mu because ani da so o kyerese Nyankopon no enwieye. Nyame woni mapa bebre eno ahye ede amawa ebebem ede amawo. Mamemfa happy 70th birthday enkoma Ora Solomon Echampon. Edi amafo etanum ye papa achi. Ene no nya 70 years. The father of Yankasa Yenua or Himitewia of Inshra 104.5 FM, then Love 99.5 FM, or in Kumasi. So, Daddy, we wish you all the best. Happy birthday to Mr. Solomon Echampon. You are 70 years today. Yada Nyankopon ase Emma Obra Okra swasho ni peduaso abedru sabre. Na kwekwa before say yebekọ ene ye main issue mu no. Because ye koso nka ye nwerema wo America brochimemu e wo mpaibom. Because what is happening there na nyenika. Emfa ahoya antena krom anka ka se akotena obi krom na wo se bra krom abra. A lot of families in this country are surviving on some of the remittances are yenuanom e de free amanone eba o mai mu hanom. Medical culture dada so say ye nwe no wa mo no ne sika omo send ba Ghana no e do so chen sika kra IMF de ma Ghana enu nti se ye nwe no ko saa ho ye hian mu a se sa kwa kodu pempen so bi kra se Donald Trump se enka ne nanka America abamre nimfo no ebetime agine matwetwa de agyew ya nanka ye free so isa da free uyo bia se yebo waba na apemre nim ni a kone kotwia na ontwetwa mfanyew ama emovie nwan bebre de free ba bia enwuma akese wo mbetimi akoso aye adwuma de sika abafie ema ne nya wa ho ya na enko eso mmra ommmra wo mu wa abrochire ni fa so wo so e de mo man papa abrochire no mo no I'm telling you America can between 2022 to 2023 remittances from America and some few other countries to Ghana near $4 billion US. They acquire me saying $4 billion US. Not 4 billion cedis, so $4 billion US. And these are $100, $50, $20, you know, are sustaining a lot of families. Yanka yenuanom and your course neding. Ahomete. Beginning said on per when but we so no esanye a footwo fama won anya akwanya so be du omayanim achechire oman no. Se be na kade na efe na ede ene se oto mam na obobra. Na adwuma sabe se mfata kani ukodura brochere kwa na oso ye. Because antotoye ne nhehye o mam no enwie peyo. And your bones safuni say ye clean wa brochiri. Your bones safuni say ye washing. Ye te sebi obi oyare ho ene ye hwe no. Ye uru kukum. All because omusi come ni man no emodru. Ti empeni force ye di omaya hya musanso no. Mumma wenye de suade na munya renewed of mind. Can't you say you do everything possible to make our people also feel comfortable? Ye ma brana ye bon mumye ha ye hu bebre. Ebi ameka to say ofa Ghana for 70% e japade o ma ye na bishop say for na nya scan free a no kwa kwa say nyame adom. Because o chire mo nya ye. Na ne bosu mi akatwa na crowd it been taking over 15 days. To the kwani bi na akwakoto asase. Tu ye no akato nyame adom. But be free baby free ba. Na hometi a eye ni nyina echi no ye mpanifu edu oman ya hyemonsa. Mo ba manfo se be peto mi di from nsa no. We renew my mind on how you manage your mind. No? And no your one out America na so nin krata upie kreden e jawo yem hyehye saa ko bisa no se obey wo ba be ye den fene bia nkwa kodu anka onya asase bi ato a afre we pagya bi dan bi de asisu be no ye rough de tisi krom tisi ni esom se graw eno ano no ni maame bi o te ekura bi ase eni da so no ya ton bisua kokko na di bi ko te pesere mpanifo da bi eso ye kwan all because se bi ye pese mu ye ma ye mu bi nya bi o but at least ye nka se obi no pese o do mama di the same salary no but se no man na ye nhihye ato o se if you say jomama efri akonya so ena nana kufo de efri akonya so o man behwe na akopim so obo ade beto de study afre no sa hoto ni bi na Ghana ni epe ye mpese no menya the same salary inflation reform you see the ho de nkosro na menya sika tubutum timi tobi menya ba bi fa metinto na menya atare nkata madrija so we so difficult Ube minister also man pe bangalo di amount. Olai be no water be no man fa. So be ye penny wo mem na se ufeli ya. radio TV so. Or some of no do no because yabo wa hoto. The only thing is to think how to better the lives of a man for the wasian. Yama car. Yama fool. Yama police no bo ho ban ba ko wo fie. Uko kro wo fie kra ban hwe na bon hoka. Eti die biem and a kakao as a government appointee. Think to support us is very difficult. Ye me ko so akai mo. Enya me nka mo ho. Why? Na ko so ne enyan. Eni enyan pa. Yesterday I think I was watching I was flipping between CNN and Al Jazeera and Charlie, so sad. So sad. I mean come home. Also share benya bia duntia hinta. Ka because any obi na beba no kro obu no. Te ka se kai nwam na ontimi enyine mai. No mo wo na eboa yen. Eboa yen. Unwa bi nko obi a wohunu so mfa so ba eboa yen. So na no penu asemi si wo mra hye bedwafiem. Vetting yeah, because I think that it was before the vet of Dr. Annoh Dompreh Badwam, the minister designate for defense. There was a confrontation between the acting CEO, the Petroleum Commission, and a member of parliament. Emma de share war in Sawama Dwajiri. But quickly, the interest of my mom first video. Never tears our confrontation, they tears somewhere, of course, and same one more, men for Mano Enka. So quick, the man for your interest of video, and some of course, so much of your film at home.
I'm who? Why? What do you mean of that? What do you mean you are taking me on? What does that phrase mean? You call us micro. When you are micro minority, doesn't Afenyo himself use that phrase? What do you do with that? I don't have time to do with that. You think you can bully me here? Hey. Not this silly problem and bully me. You heard the word used. What called me silly? She called me silly. Are you a silly child? No. We will deal with this matter. You called me silly. I don't have time for you. No. I know what she called me silly. Did I mention your name? Why are you taking my hat on your head? Did I mention your name? You that you were fighting on TV about this, your seat, you are coming to select your name. Did I mention your name? You cannot call me silly. Did I mention your name? Did I mention your name? You can carry a cross you want to carry.
Okay, Tiway, maintain Mwasia about the acting CEO of Petroleum Commission and the member of parliament for Nsawam Adwajiri, the minority chief whip, Honorable Frank Annoh Dompreh. No, Honorable Frank Annoh Dompreh, a raising concern on the floor of parliament, and also Niti sort of share same on your film.
This morning, we were on our usual duty on the appointment committee. There was some disagreement amongst us. So the respected First Deputy suspended sitting and we engaged. When we came back, minds were not meeting. So we suggested humbly to the First Deputy that we should further take a break. Speaker, I must fully disclose that the nominee who was before us, Annoh Badwam, is a long-time friend. So, in the face of the disagreement, I felt I should reach out to my friend and tell him that it's not personal, it's not about him, only to have a rude shock of my life. And colleagues, we need to take these matters in good stride. We are all MPs. What has happened to me today can happen to any of you. A lady I have never met in my life, only later to be told she's called Victoria Emefa Hardcastle, who is the acting chief executive officer for the Petroleum Commission. Speaker, I didn't say a word to her. I didn't provoke her in any way. Suddenly, insults were being held at me. Silly, stupid, useless. At a point, I thought they were referring to somebody.
Okay, so Honorable Frank Annoh Dompreh, and the last one I'm sure way. Honorable Haruna Idrisu, and not take advantage of the Komodine Koso, or Mashe Film, condemn Senior, the acting CEO of Petroleum Commission, and some okay carry Frank Annoh Dompreh, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, condemn me, Tionoso.
It's unfortunate.
Mr. Speaker, as I listen to him, we only can appeal to him that we share what the Honorable Member for Damangu said, that this House must stand united, indeed unanimous, in condemning the conduct and in demanding an apology and a retraction of it, but to persuade our colleague not to pursue further.
And those my friends here. Now, my say, Honorable call for doing so, and I not to say also a Frank Annoh Dompreh de Adwobre Wamfa Enche and some other members of Parliament from the NDC side, and so Frank Annoh Dompreh. I know I'm to say some corner now, so Ecopa Nacho say almost than a no Omofanche. You see, and maybe one more say ye the grow, one. Ye best say ye minor, ye chechireno. And I'm happy. Say Enra in the house. Hardcastle nankasa the party members. Ye all must your film. Ehun say adi o ye no wanye ni ye. So they condemn it and condemned it well. I quite remember President Mahama. Elsewhere in the first set of ministers, I did about catch them disrespect and arrogance. Disrespect and arrogance that he will never countenance that. But Ghanaian politicians, most of Ghanaian politicians, how can you say, oh, you're bad for? Assuming you're in the house, and I was scrolling a phone. No be used to that word. Yeah, you should be my Honorable Frank Annoh Dompreh. Emma Ukuna, how would you have felt? How would you have felt? Nipanya tumi kakrebi pe. Na dwani ahantan ahyenema. Petroleum Commission. You know koye energy minister kamni no obeye. Petroleum Commission. And this one here, they are sure say Petroleum Commission penino who na enyo how you are going to execute what you want and when you are drinking. Look at the kind of words you free will know eba a time. I don't know a young man used to do because they are not condemning because they omo penasimo. But so man say ya obey the parliament name ebe ye form. And I was like, what about you so ka hobi? You're all part of it. When we are in opposition, now my force I say you're really in short, even on our president, we keep quiet because it serves our interest. Because it serves our interest. Aman for Sabio, and more brand new baby at that. Sabi no moment in poker ya thing. On your data to Sirisa, to be Superman Penny, president of the land. Because we are in opposition, we are comfortable. It fits into our agenda, so we are good. But say one day, time politicians one day, how can you be in the House of Parliament and insult a member of Parliament just like this? Why? Also, when you what for routine poto Hardcastle? What for routine poto? Such an unprintable words. Me to cry for my nonka. And we are looking forward to President Mahama to see whether he's going to walk the talk. You said it. That disrespect and arrogance. Ghanaians are watching. Mr. President, Ghanaians are watching. Whether you are going to do, they do. Say disrespect and arrogance. When you two people cry, you confirm me wo. Hardcastle, you confirm me wo. And I did Kenya hand time kakabin sem say nam. Petrol Commission for Mamuje. Mamuje. Ya tell ya confirm say so say waka. Uni pani jo hwe o tete wontia. Na wo pani pa wo fi a wo tete wo a council side way so. We should condemn it to the latter. Who said the parliament eso ma to mo side afre former wo. So say appointment committee no Jessica. Ye nyine bebu ogu ye nyine tiri so. Ye nyina. Abrante start ye kan. Obi tebe bi no waka kire o mu ye MPP adwuma, wo ye MPP ni. Na obi anka ko demonstrate ni kokotu police for car key eto twene. Ye nyine pa okroma na o so side way so. E no se bi emeka woni. Munya hunu hwe. It's how so tan is also because of political power. Ebeke nyina. Ebeke me say one day tia obebo Jubilee House akotwe mampani afiri honom. One day. Because yeah no omo position okay comfortable. Gala for nye. Gala for mpe. Yake kanya duni ya mampani no be tiabrote di mampani atem. Awre wo na political party pen for so sad way so because your opposition the see enya hunu hwe kakra beka woni what ne yaw me di akwasinsi asem ne kani akra ya ba nyina akwa ba bi emfa emra bedwam so ebra se ne pen for betra se na ya hwetwe enkommo semno ka sempen fo akuku dampa na no pay etwe hiem wa na je se enkommo no emu beyede kommo ni beyede pa won beyede. So happy birthday and confirmer comfort Jawa of Chem Ayerebi. We show all the best. We free. Isaac no manyo hodom. Nyame enshira obapa. Nyame enshira na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. A beautiful lady by our standard. Wishing you happy birthday. Chairman extraordinaire. The former Greater Accra Regional Chairman of NDC. Ore Joseph Adikoka atra cheba boko de Nyamena dom me osa no pe you are on fire ija o spit fire umpome e dey am ase akwa the former executive director of UPA, former MP for Bantima constituency and incoming Dr. Kokufu. Dr. Bokodi.
Yes, sir, bro.
Yeah, they are me ase. Apekiana.
Ano pay ho ye. Ti aseda be ma twedi ampo.
Yeah, they are me ase.
Na nuanu ma hwefo ne atiefo fifi amo machi.
Okay.
Na me chairman. Chairman forever. So mama na chi. Say nkomo na ne to aso.
Enkwari aso aso.
Ma hu some de ayi bi amai.
Yeah.
Now, before say about COVID, you been to your canal,
oh, we be there.
Yes, Mesha CFI baby, Okasa for Parliament. I mean, chair me more Parliament, parliamentarians from majority to minority. If you are my cohort, sure. It's many animal or minority, she say no. Many one at Nahoda. Who is any minority, but our Parliament. Now, the leadership of minority leader, lawyer Afenyo Martins, now for the chief whip, Annoh Dompreh, honorable. You know, any mates, no one call Parliament at the same time. Deputy minority leader, honorable Ma Patricia, PJ, although a senior, you control. And see, minim senior near mani seti or now be senior be drew sa level na odu. Na say yan hwe ni na parliament itimi tietia so ama no nanimonyam ba form to the lowest na judiciary said you kura judiciary mo you kura na yetuti ne eba ne sa let's just say the democracy na na yesel already said the okay executive ne dey enfanya hwe itimi di o mampani atem kan ye pe bia kire no so ye o mampani dada de o ho na anu yi enura nansan no ba ye kura obenya ni pe bia sem bi o mbeka de akire o mampani no na ahonoti if you say ya ye free me something be dream kaipa edru baby na between the late former President J.J. Rawlings and Annoh Dompreh Badwam. Yeah, I'm checking my man. Penny be pa na edi na tempa wo me. Nti me nka se ne mo research we. Mo hwe. So ma mo bracketer be bibi kakre. But from even to the extent say obi to say the late former president John Evans Atamils. Yeah. The papa is sitting in Dimina. Still I in nipa or man you did not tem a cassetia. Jaycofo, His Excellency, a gentle giant. Yen nipa ma, just so Canada pa dinner tema as if say will be our yanity pay. Nina Yasha Baby Drill. But say a bit near. Now, as you see it to me, a see a tear says, sub-7 prayer, saying in I pay. You radio gate. Former MP, former Attorney General, senior pa, or Ibia no council, Ubia Nubia. Now, Ubia Nubia, there were two sides. See a tea him and Mbapeti, Ubia Nubia, yes, sir. Yeah. If you say equal. Now, it drew say, I saw train and be so baswa. Yes, Ubia Nubia. Did that who's will be you che will be no. Let's just say Asamaba. I will say one that's saying cross on also many years to send so. Send che Babana send you. Yeah. But no bonning. I see in yai. Christ, Omun in the sense in the more. Send could be a nubia. Sure. Binum Christ because of the acrophone, Nam Nipa Bonifona, you know, your cool in our book. Yes, sir. Yeah. Now, Bakudie. Whom he said will be you, and until he reached out to Christ. Now Christ said, "Ujidi ebejo nkwa. Obekame home of paradise." Until a drew baby bia. Yes, of course. You nyina ye nipa baako, you nyina ye Ghana for moja we. But when you boy no ansa man santia no so ajepe. Wo brebi anu amabi esu atia no. Na hwe a de yetenten na no nyame ankasa no na ya de papa nko anna eso. Ebia woni rule na compliment. Enti sane a wote sane a meti se do bia ate a compliment. Ebetumi adi ahemfo atemwa wo mayimu asofu nyame nipa no ebetumi atwa wanda pa we ensenchiro ni enti chese ba bibia ni ho a adapa ne ni. Ye hwe ne yentwa so. Ade ba ko a eye mede. Eni se we ba ye. One say MPC na akasa from both divide. Aya ne binu adwen ye on say wote parliament ade a eyema MPC nko ana ye nyina adwen ko benkro obi so ye be discuss as gracia enu ti MP fo nyina no eye institution no na aya ne hia se ye bo ho ba nya nipa nkrankra na wo mu no me se na mete parliament na me nti obi o ma ti honora ene ebetumi abase ochira no mu nti obi but parliament should stay the institution as I say ye menkase ye whitewash no but as I say it na ho na onipa bi a wo be pre akwakoduru ho bia no animunyama wo ho ne bia kan ama se mpo usu no ban bi nya san hihye na timi asesa eya me de honorable Kofi Boa Minister for Lands and Natural Resources say eya me enclave me die mu nti me hoda me ye de ya me minister nti be minister prekope me ma ho trinkwa na bio why ade akire se wo ye be ma se obie na no akase na no former president Annoh Dompreh Badwam parliament na obema state of the nation address na sabre we deputy minority leader and onya kwan so respond nsema ebaaye no anya nika anya nipa bebre de me hunu de ba mete say former first lady kra ebusa ho asem nipa bebre kan ho asem na wanya no hu na watumi atwe asan na watumi aka bibia eye positive e chese enye se bia or disrespecting Annoh Dompreh Badwam, the former president na in kasa ye mu no na bia akopasa. That is what gentlemen do. Baya na yes ye ba avoid ne papa pani bi o penreje kum professor o say asem na ka wan kan na nka ye say one kind in the first place kra na ye baako a me de ka ho bi o dem pa cho fa che me na wo kan United States US era Trump embrace ye home for more Africa and Ghana because I can foresee say Great Britain UK I can foresee say Europe Germany Belgium France omubeyebi I can foresee say eba yeah sapo mu nsuo de if we say ebeba bebre
more deportation
yes particularly across Africa a friend then Europe nomne ade no ho ahwa yenu anu ma wa Sahel say o muso mu ajo mu ho ma pam abrofo nyasa o ma yi say ni okay enti say UK ne France solidarity a ne mususo Africa fo nyina musumu nkom na enti anyani kasem o kan say bi o si akwantuo nipa wo ho boa o mu boa o man chichire ya ne abu ya ne agu ne ma bi so boa o mu boa $4 billion+ last year and kakra o mu de be nyina be boa me na so o mu nyina ba no mu betena nyina ye kon so e wo man mu a e de be hunu se emu sese Bride Lagos Nigeria yenkon na Ghana for buy
Ghana must go
1982-83 Cratch for be brand and wom all cranny and wom na ya akoda o bet say o hawa o man kom na edrum pempensu bia na aban bi eba ewo man bi so ana BBC wo baabi na atinche na asem fa me ho me de emotwe ha ne America de asi o ho no emotwe a madam for oboa eben o papa global village globalization inti bibia happen o baabi biara ewo wiase afa na nyina kan enti ye mampani anope mi chia his excellency unu nuanom African leaders mon fa plans na kwa kra mbagege ya nuanom ya bani nyina na afi ye behwe yesuku ko ye behwe adwuma ye behwe we nti bi nuanom mabunu na yesu ansi enya adwuma nya ebi ba be ka ho obi ba abeka ho.
We have been picking information says about 3,228 Ghanaians or US and American first deportation.
Around the map.
Yeah.
She said, "I see a bit more airport. I'm a quack show. I come home our too. You never know. Be an idea.
Colombia forecast so money, so more say Jawo.
We better than Annie. We better not what none or so more any idea ship ma and the bread wine. It's you now got to ya. What Juma or may more up a so ball home by Uncle Tutu at the Emma, not the good ship, not the abroad. Say no. Age ne grant na say the bread yaje. Na we the wa woman ma.
Age ne grant them so suspended for the next 3 months.
We will be trained forever. What the idea asem na ke. 4 years now obedi o mampani wo USA no. Ewi ase nyina beti.
Obi abetinenka.
Obi a ne wa Africa ne Ghana de beti ne papa. Onyame hu ye mobo. Na ekokosi se ye nhwe kwa apaso ne enye ma yi. Yenye de yi. If you say me tinkra ha obia ni ho a chino beka so deport me akọ Kumasi and obi ben say uti Kumasi obia kan just say
deport wa bank
o deport wa besira ko ho wodiem ni wodiem enti na ebetumi aye niam am yensa na ebetumi one yan boy kwatu omu niam aye to aduane tituru ni aduane omun tade no omun paboa do omun niam aye to no ade bia ye kra do ye $600 de kokoto e de ball man na all of a sudden afi Just say pesa atade a ye ne akorade ensa apam kora be se wo mem ha no. In the name of fashion, ye nyai. Ye nua ye ne ye aduane ye nua ne ye ni. Ansua kora ye ntena ho. Ye nyai pottery import na we are check pottery nkukọ I import from United States. Ene ne ma. Ye nyai oton na se kombe kunyen. Ye nyai se ye sori a na kakire kuta ye se de broni car ne enema bia broni ye ye nya appetite ense da nye necessity ehun hia ye pie no you should boycott yentena baby ne ehwe na your board ye ne nua no more.
Okay,
your bank ne nua.
So in 2022 where oec.world.com it's one of the revered websites for import statistics. Or see, in 2022, Ghana imported $286 million in poultry meat, mainly from Netherlands, $69.2 million from United States, $60 million from Poland, $50.5 million from Brazil, and $42.5 million from United Kingdom.
Can you know the Minister of Agric, Unianum bia baby, na beduro so. The Nawadaroma, poultry industry, no kwa bia so.
Yeah.
Oman penikura de waka ho asem, ye nyina de ye nkomodie ne aseresem akokwa nketenkete. This is the time I man ye akokwa akese.
Right.
Ne nya sa import ni nyina. No mu hunu se ye nsoso ye nipa ye wa atenka. There asem modern slavery. Aye niema ahudo bebre akosoma enchepi. We are all say won say nyuma kase ni nyuma nkuma ketenkete e wo United States na kakra no mu penipa asan akọ no makọ akoye we say nyuma e be guo no nyuma asate a eguo no he has no idea but that is his policy ni krom no osiko krom
obende
menkai I say aliens compliance order I don't remember.
Okay, so military officer be or share from 37 military hospitals. I can see. Tell Honorable Kokofu, he has been a patriotic citizen this morning, and I like his submission. So thank you, Lance.
Thank you, boss.
Chairman.
Yeah. Morning, lawyer. No people kasa. Maybe inside America there no man, but I'll comment on that one too. Yeah. Now me tell the second part on the Assembly war Parliament. Fortunately for me, I was there.
Okay.
I was privileged to what happened. Now, me can say politicians. Are there Emma MPP for Ghana for reject one? Ahomaso. Arrogance. Brunibe can say arrogance. Ne obia can be on person obi can be. I think say NDC for yama position no. They should take a cue from Asama AC the last 4 to 8 years. Yama position the first thing I would say unya humility and respect. Na Asama ebe fi wenum aba. Very, very important. I'm glad to say Haruna, Honorable Haruna, do you? NDC for no more Parliament House. Obankasa more pacho. It's a mission mejina u studio ha. Apacho. Say Asama is no a chawa never. But I hope say everybody will take a cue from it. Let me give this to say President Mahama, wherever he is, I think this will come to his attention. And one can say, Ubia Oko serve Oko serve at the pleasure of the people. At the pleasure of the people.
Yeah. Even not at the president.
No.
Yeah,
at the pleasure of the people. Well, you have a long way. Unfortunately for us, sometimes why no be a political appointment? We need be if you buy a appointment. When you say appointment now, experience no anyone, and that is what informs this kind of behavior. Yeah. That is why you can say appointment, behavior, experience, all those things. No, I like what Omani said yesterday. I say position does not mean age. Age is immaterial, but the experience, the humility. Oh, a child never say Asama is and people should not start throwing their weight around. It's only 3 weeks in government. You do baby how. I feel who call
22nd day.
Who call 100 meters. First, no, a match about park and so. What now? Now, why you ready? Which shake now? Why you ready? As I never can say, get ready, set, and go. I feel cry no mushe come. See, so who shake one? I will say, we are sure say, who be shaking we into a child never pa. Na America dear, Bush, MC Bush, Trump. No corner of my door, you know, on one cast in the background, he's an immigrant. No, woman. She came to America on a visitor's visa. No dear throw about her qualifications. Okoye striptease. Odidi who asaba pay okawari a big sugar daddy. Then nebusuafunya about America. America is a country of immigrants. Go back to history. Italians. Nobody knew America. And you're Irish for Italians. Germans.
Actually, no policy. No
policy for no build America. And see, since you
read the blacks.
And the blacks to buy. Before Crampa, first Italians who know more mobile. Well,
the sugar plantation.
People, some Mexican border and any place. Why are they coming to America? Because more America, more supported dictators. Over the years, some of them developed as a nation. Today I am Argentina. Today I am Peru. Today is course no. Sometimes no help power. And all this was CIA. Who watch series CIA for no Bush time no CIA for no. You tell her I forgotten the name. I lend you first. And then you destroy the people. They have never been had the peace of developing their resources, but need the peace of mind. I created some gangs among the various. Even for President Krampa, Usro within 1 or 2, 3, 4, 1 month, 2 months, assassinated, and they have created the problem. Nobody created it, so the people are not able to survive. So they are coming to your America to survive. And then you take this drastic action. Now say African market. Yeah. They are ready. Maybe blacks, no. So Africans, the market here, Now we're ready. Oh, what is our more ready officer? Omonko.
Too many maybe will be out.
Oh, into Adio, and yet I am on Rankasa. America for Ankasa sika omunya for meals was suspending in and your judge be no stop no. Just a week ago I say you America you are no more Americans. I mean how?
So be America
how? What are you changing the rules of the game?
So the executive
which is unconstitutional.
It's unconstitutional. If you ask you baby obia you plane so plane. What na plane? What na Emirates so na you war. You are the citizen of UAE. Yeah. It is a known convention. It's what he's doing, you know. Me can say, oh, when you careful, what's the person born it through one time? When you careful, people born it through.
But Chairman, don't say. Is he trying to reset America? Trump person reset America.
Oh,
to the detriment of the whole world.
No.
Resetted.
How? No.
We are in the year of resetting.
No. It looks as if the man is crazy. me honestly, me it's not, look, semi-nuake, Obia. Look, or China about also there's a Trump in war. Is that the end of America?
No.
It's not. Well, we should have some human feeling, human dignity. We seem to be losing that core value of each other's keeper. We are losing the core value of each other's keeper. When Amuko Church, you know, as my bishop in the church.
Bishop, yeah.
On my program, yes, be more.
After
we know your interview said the church service was even poor.
No, but because the man is crazy.
That's one of poorest service were attended.
Donald
Trump.
The man is crazy. We have to show some.
But Chairman, we any also bring your mind to say it's time so we find a way to build our country.
Yeah.
Yes, according to the only perfect. But to the extent say your man for is we have over 9,000 Ghanaians using the US.
Let me tell you something. You see, you always have to go back to history.
Okay.
Why are we at where we are today? Okay. We have been reduced to be hewers of wood and carriers of water.
Yeah.
That is where we have been reduced to.
The typical labor.
Exactly. Concept. Look at, we have become a labor force. Look, our resources.
Yeah.
Look at what happened. Look, go to Obuasi. I'm sure say work Obuasi before.
Yeah.
Look at Johannesburg. What got Joburg there?
Yeah.
Joburg has got the same resources that Obuasi has got.
Yes.
What is say? Omo gold was Joburg, you know. Omo sending gold no another country Mexico Kakawa. Because they are the indigenous. Whether you are white or you are black or you are green or omo to Johannesburg go. Into omo to gold na omo benefit wo. Obuasi, ya cover brainy. So omo to your gold. O to you there. O the code ni chrome.
Pastor Chairman, ye sunu ye pay ya once be pay. I was
Kwame Nkrumah. Oba there no kai. Kwame God blessed memory. Also, we should take the commanding heights of the economy. That is what Obuasi, Satan Obuasi go for their friends.
Ghana there. What happened? What happened? Your person say. You have a point. But then you do baby. Because
that's what I'm saying.
Yes, you know. Yes, see any
yes.
And then buy.
We sold ourselves.
One is sorry.
Yeah, Kaza.
And you for the leaders. Yeah. So we have poor leadership.
I was
all this while.
I was coming there.
The point is, as I say, as leaders, since you had open leaders. As I see, you say you're failing our people. And we must rethink what Trump is doing. We must brace ourselves for more because Europe should start to now. A big disaster. And you say, and say, near mark correct direction. You see, way, you're near there. See, you're too high. You're when we are no near scaffolding, no near do me. But so, Omo invest your musica was our sector honor, your capital intensive. There be because the risk is so high. Rather, no, obetumi akokra akoko, yeah, containers bear 20. Ba ya me no ntempa ni ato na nisa kan ska back betumi asisi adan ni ade na asisi ho se nipa betinem se nipa ntinem enti se baby anim de adro ye wo mining engineers wo mayin ye wo bibi biara enti se ye wo concession anase ye wo land ni ye se wo miner na etu no gold ana ɔman na process ana ɔman na yɛ bibia wɔ ha na fe yɛ ko Johannesburg ya wo kan ba yɛ mpensa yɛ pɛsɛ rada no obi no mfa ne dwetire ne sika ne nim die ne na mra na ɔmɛyɛ na yɛ ni di ho tafre ho kakra to form and ya fa ne yɛ ko ho. Look at the way we are fighting over Galamsey. Look at the problems we are having on our hands. Ni pay wu ye say ye nsuo ye say ye sase ye everything wabra mra no ni bibia nhye ho for proper mining. Ma mean see the next topic no. O see EPA for issue. So EPA for issue.
Yeah, EPA.
Environmental protection.
Almost me mine won so. What if I my chairman Elande e mamna.
And chairman no, you go back to our roots.
Oh, we have come to where we are because of the way Yankasa resources up to now. We can't add value to our resources.
Yeah.
Some can say, why should we import rice? Why should we import tomatoes? Basic needs. At this is how many years? Ghana, how many years?
60 years.
You're 68 years.
So, you need tomato factory in Ghana. Minia?
67 years.
Minia? You need tomatoes factory in Ghana. You need toothpick, stick. But you need factory in Ghana.
No, it will be.
No, let me tell you. I'm saying that's the problem. You understand? Those basic things.
But Chairman, sorry. Country be a tracy or more progress and success be. You see, the country or the government becomes deliberate in building certain kind of people.
Yes.
To become billionaires, to support the economy. How well in Ghana you are building your Ankasem crop for? Now, be more say, we a businessman, I Ghana, now we invest in Ghana. The risk no cry high. Because say you who say MPP a person and now you build the what? And this need to be people. But you say a camera fast on your also we go down. So who say NDC a person and now you build the what? MPP bar. They supported someone on 1 year you might know. We start chanting on their leader say, you work away Juma, you work away Juma. The mentality.
That is what my brother is saying. Said we have built this mentality over the years. Yeah. When we had independence, we were not thinking that way. But along the line, you are creating so much division among ourselves. Unye sika na oye be for.
Oye krom for.
No, oye krom for, oye be for.
You start.
Oye be for. Na unye sika no. Asa na ye krom for so abeka wa ma. Oh. It's yes say and this started after you took Kwame Nkrumah. What did we do? We started prosecuting him. We started putting Kwame Nkrumah ministers into what? Chains. You're dragging one Accra, Jamestown. You know, I want to remember Bruce Yankee. And most of you might not even have heard his name. You need to share cage.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, so we started creating that culture of what? Division. International government a bar and also conform on revenge. And that has eaten into the fabric of our society. I eaten the fabric of our society. It is here. That's why nobody will want to. And also, one thing to say, people have decided instead of them investing. And then you are Nasamuko. So you must change the mindset. And I agree with you, China. China has become what it is today because there was a deliberate policy to create millionaires and billionaires. A communist country. But they took a deliberate effort to go and create this industry. Go and create this. America for billionaires. The China is a deliberate policy. Let us create all the millionaires of China and Russia. They were created, and the creation means you have to create employment in your country.
This is Kanenka.
Let's Kanunkaho. Into Munina, I was a Mubachoska. Would you ask any be anyhow? But we create our economy, our systems that they can even come afford to give you money.
How can we get there?
You have to have a different mindset. That is why I'm saying that it is about time. This country, I like what is going to happen, that economic dialogue goes, or whatever it is. My friends should be able to go there. You should be able to go there. Or they should make it like open for everybody. Look, the best economists you have in this country are in Mokola. Yeah. The best economists. Forget about the PhDs and the DDTs and the MMM. You understand? So these are the people who have to bring on board. And dialogue. And then have a holistic, sir, a country must have a planner. If Mibra Kogofu or your president, no Okwa, no Osei, Ubeye president, you follow the same trajectory, that will give you development.
It seems you need a plan.
Party
manifesto.
Look, I recently I was with two kind of member. You belandi around 12:30. The time I playing edu Ghana, Achimota, East Legon, and me share inform wa ground wa Ghana is a village.
A big village.
Village. On tarred roads. And then on tarred road, that who come baby to say Dubai no Hollandia. You see the beauty, the roofing sheets boy here used to crampono arroste. And that is Ghana. You are entering Accra, Ghana. Why? We should sit down and think. And it's very important. It do time. Let us all come on board. And let us start be patronizing
let me help
ourselves.
you because you see, Obisa said, then next year, the way forward. We should think more and talk less.
You were more talkative.
More talkative. We pay ourselves to talk. Whilst the beer chroma they pay people to think. Apologies to Dr. Kombo.
Yeah.
He made that first statement, and I agree with him.
Yes.
In total. We simply refuse to think, but rather we want to talk. We are quick to talk and talk and talk. You can someone can ya jini kuran kuduro. And we see say adwen pobi or what. We see Ghana first. Sometimes politicians in your can't say yetiwo says under President Akufo-Addo Abai. I can tell you, the people only affiliated to NDC, they made it in life. Whether mabuno businessmen or businesswomen or they made it in life. Even under J.J. Rawlings, the late J.J. Rawlings. There are a lot of MPP people who made their fortunes during that time. CCI Ramahama, INDC your power. By year 2, 3, NPP phobia, woman, Sabran, Omajuma, because Sankrofone in Ghana, they look forward. They are not waiting for a government. Me party about Bermunti as a same year will be. No. Party no be here Obama avenues. Sorry, government in Obama avenues. Obama opportunities be bring. Just take advantage of that.
But can we just be deliberate and make sure say young crophobia or man kwa when you bit me adani at home?
Oh yeah, we need to look. It's very important. Countries have developed because there's a deliberate effort. Look, just take 3 thematic areas of the country and develop. How is your infrastructure level in the country?
Energy, infrastructure.
How is yes. And education.
Agriculture.
Yeah, agriculture.
These
three thematic and just concentrate and bring the minds of the people. There are a lot of minds. Look, forget about Obiedi 75. Forget about Obiedi 80. Forget about Obiedi 30. All the minds put together will give you that holistic achievement.
In a small NAPE, the NEIP. Yeah, research here. Youth now munya kukudro. Eko ye kwaji sika. Na ban so won asene no. Hwe se bebre atimi de agina baabi. How they can build on. Aban we aba. E continue. Yeah. It is a maybe MPP di na me.
Yenwe rekaje na ko.
Eric good. Etu wo ye hwan KYZ to hwan dware. not foul plans no programs ko busa ko ye inquiries emmoa bi o ha wo mo betimi aboa a wo betimi agina wo na so no wa build ya escafo ehu mo ne wo man say no fitia no me escafo o mo hia se kakran ba ye the culture bi a hye mu say ese all of a sudden mitimi nya sika te say asemes papa ya bi adwuma wa be fa me ye adwuma the first thing I think is me boa no me ye ne papa ni wa bi adwuma no wa be fa me the next thing is say mitimi wi an kakra na me ne ye pe
me ni nya so mitimi atere
that's the point. And all these mindset are there as leaders all the levels. Asorimu, sukumu, enyumem, yeah, politicians, wherever. But here you find yourself as a leader. And near me, say you timi kachre mebunini. Near timi tu huanamo. Now you walk, you talk. Yen mombadina say you be kasa kakre bi near be gini pi.
But I say Dr. Kwabena Kokofu, former executive director of the EPA, Sanso and Ora Joseph Adikoka, a former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, Edma NDC. Yokomulaba, Yaba Betua, and Kumos Bedrum, and Korea. Yaba Munina, Aqua Biemfa, Emra Bedrum so on Adom TV, live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Share more TV, Digi Boss, and Subinia live on Sanso streaming on all our social media platforms, from Facebook to YouTube. Ukwa ja comments or Ebejenia can the amount. So there is story about EPA director say mo bia enye mine wo yensu esu ABM. And then no so once the Speaker of Parliament so they atum say MP be chill say oye illegal mining no. Obejina standing orders ne so anywhere deeper. Ko fo say wako EPA pen.
Yes, Environmental Protection Authority.
Yeah.
So na kase Emrani ya no fufo.
Okay.
It's EP Act. As Environmental Protection Act. And no na the Environmental Protection Authority. That's Act 1124 2025. President Akufo-Addo signed, I think 2nd January or so. It's one of the major idea ebeboa wo men say environment niema ebekwa. The aka say mpenifo a idi animu no benya akokotro. No, mame, lady, Professor Kluche, Nana Ama, yes, a professor in climate change, or a specialist, or expert, University of Ghana, I don't know President Abodidi. Now, I don't know issue statement. Now, you know, Kopim say, can name run Act 490, EPA Act 490, 1994. Now, in this thing, it cannot bite. Na EPA ni ahoɔden bia tumi bia nti nsɛm ne ba ne yɛ EPA betumi a abubom akasakasa but ontumi nyɛ hwee na in 50 good years emra no ɛbae mpanina anwene ho anhwɛ anhunu sɛ emra du awiase kɔ n'anim no EPA must have an answer so ɔyɛ quasi security institution a obetumi akyere na obetumi aka na obetumi apo na obetumi abibia. Enti ministers ahodo Professor Frimpong Boateng Penso say EPA emomoden and my predecessors no mun sachira mranu act no by way of amendment minister Dr. Kwekwe Fuye Penso mo na me so me ba EPA enti yeguso aye ya na ye call cabinet na say ye ko defend ho ana cabinet subcommittee MP na say me the credit man Honorable Kojokum ana Honorable Danboche omo ya nom say na minister senia EPA boss wo kan na o kire die na je say mra no say bibia almost sesa ana mo koye no foforo kraba nti ade a ya wi a Attorney General's Department no ma bibia wi na say carry the back ye ba and we accepted the challenge ana EPA for legal department no penifo ni ade ho any other stakeholders nyina ekeka ya adwene bo ana yetimi aye ana ayemra samra we no yawura ba Professor Kluche ne on ye adwuma EPA de be ye adwuma it can bite into instruction not the amano EPA as at now betimi ansomon na wachire Minerals Commission
okay
as an institution the na kujina court say my mount instruction say obia to go do war a friend dey nsuom who Minerals Commission who na wo hwe gold no ma ho nkrata ayembia brana be yu ho ano say company na yakọkire no ha no no one man krata na man krata okay na se wo man permit no to gold go sumu na wo to ho na more ben okay into the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources Minerals Commission share this is about time as so who say emrano ma EPA kwan to me emanitini e hold district assemblies corona area dey no you are involved wo Minerals Commission we share Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources wo and unlike before now Minerals Commission na any ministry ema permit na nkrofo ko for forest mu say hefa kutugo da wo mu an san supervisor and EPA the policeman of the environment and EPA the can say aban berry source EPA ye I will say me introduce uniform bi yeah I will wish say me successor any incoming minister also my member about so Mesty or a very hard working young man okay honorable Mutala meaning say on EPA leadership no ebe kan bom no ma ye adwuma no ma advance if you say emra emma won kwan I be me for once Ghana you be me akase yeah environmental offense we a crime way against the environment there's an institution called Environmental Protection Authority wachrew so we are individual so we are state institution so we are private whatever you can be arrested and then EPA na kasa na be prosecute too if you say you're Fiat EPA or Fiat Attorney General's Department
Dr. no can no the issue of this illegal mining the political will
yeah
EPA betu na mon
yeah
now when you call from Jubilee House abede
until I'm say a binary source na binary say one thing and say one so the way I complex in if many million politicians now you need political miners or men until say drew baby politicians there who mining political miners bar system no na amma bibia kwaya den the suggestion be by me is still relevant na me susu any say see EPA what to me EPA can instruct Minerals Commission so publish all concession owners
okay
from the year 2000 ebesine let us know who owns what large scale concession small scale concession let us publish year by year when the own way they publish we now Chairman Coca Company Limited wo wasa senior begina plot so kokofu concession dey any kojina plot so
dey be head count
that's it into me gina me plot so na dey me plot na ye no me concession na ye no na SSA it take full responsibility me wo me nim say be kan we come dey ba me work me PhD work University of Ghana I looked into what was hindering the formalization of the small scale mining, the galamsey. Yeah. We teased out all these things. Ningina came to fore. Just say ya mayani amre, near Nemunia Shemua, say ya MPP free power. All of a sudden, concessions near MPP for penny for the all of a sudden we about done it and this penny for there. That is what's happening. Enti semrano ma EPA kwan a Mr. President Abrab Yadu because I know some crowd can say mining forest reserve obeban
yeah
yesterday no china crown ban you say EPA for the instruction aba
okay
EPA instruction no president for way to touch na anya adwuma yemba ne bibia enko moayen you to go do osuomu so the party ye green the party ye blue no amu oyetintino oyetietia this is the time you should deal with nti monsentre for musomomoa the ubo for monwa ban no na for the call demonstration ni bi
democracy hub
the democracy hub
yeah
na
voma won crofo
on Mattis also jama 6 March 6 March emuwa 6 March na yenya galamsey obekod emuwa me patcho bra lawyer colleague March muwa wadi triple ni mu February ya ne nkokan ho o start ya nyina anase nyina akora betumi a start ana o mamu na adwuma kuo no na president workers say you know
yeah TUC
no coalition bi mu kan bibia
coalition of that's media in
there be the omu council omu be their demonstration 10th of October o be shut down country no Labour, yeah. Labour front. But you wanna draw. Money come on.
Any you tag.
Any you tag. Yes. Obia, a teacher walk around here who do. Yes, I saw.
Yes.
More be a review. There's still a few anything.
Chairman. You mean your political will under John Dramani Mahama to fight illegal mining?
There are two things.
Okay.
It's illegal mining and small scale mining. You see, some area no, and there's legality around it.
Okay.
Until on you are going to make sure say ebema want training. Ebema omo to me aye ejuma uya ube reclaim baby be u to gold one year. Gold in the baby then be a man for bit too. But how to control it and not to degrade the environment. No? That is where we are. As for illegal mining, illegal mining. One can say, well, you should wear the illegal. It's illegal mining, so why should we allow illegal mining to go on? They say, what about this? That may be quadano. If you Cape Coast, now we call second D. River Prano, who cross here. You can't even see your face in it. Since I am very murky. And we share in Kofwa. Omo area wa you see your wubia on the sabako ni I mean all manner of things. We must have the political will to stop illegal mining. That one day me say tama as I see yam banning mining at all level for the next 5 years. Yam gold in the ancient form because I just took it to Obuasi.
Yeah.
Takwa. Maybe I yet to gold one, your man one. Never so now. Tell me, what one skyscraper order? A quano more fast. Most of them quarried a first mining dust. No, mining dust. Or no modia roads.
Yeah.
Wow. Seriously speaking, I believe, sir, this new government. Has shown, if you listen to Kofi Boa, Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, I say that is, as for that, it is a sine qua non. Say, onwakasa, but make sure say illegal mine no, but small scale mine no, you have to train them, show them how the mining should be done, how to reclaim the land, how to grow trees for regeneration. Other countries, almost too gold, but we don't have problems here. They don't have those problems in their country. You ask the question, what has brought us to this situation? I mean, it seems everything in this country is a problem. It seems everything. Also roads are problem. Also education are problem. Also health are problem. A mining problem. Why is that one country, BBI a problem? We have become problem-solving nation. That is what we are today. Problem-solving. BBI knew Rebecca say, but me a boy, Abaso say Ghana, yeah, I did my effort. Football, Oko Blasters a problem.
But we have problem. So mom qualifier.
I have problem.
We the problem can say.
I have problem.
And did not make catch the we can say rap and Kofi. Say I do bit me a Ghana for you now born about so say Ghana be qualify for 2026 World Cup. To me and that's all. He will be the best sports minister.
Oh,
they want to be part the end here. Because I remember the last time a man for Koshe Black Stars match war. Baba Yara sponsor Kumasi. I'm for them passport coin.
So about to go.
Baba them passport coin. I want to say. You see this?
Maybe a problem. It's as for legal mining there. I'm just speaker all kind.
Yeah.
Any MP who say or yeah mining no. The or say in parliament. The sanctions say you be in parliament. You in if you.
Okay. Ayenya illegal mine no any so no.
No, because he's a lawmaker and he's breaking the law. No, but he's breaking the law. No, he declare his seat vacant. Okay. He's breaking the law. Oh no, also protecting no. Ah, Sadia, which police say oh yeah, ni say ujele no. Police don't say protecting.
You there say you say MPB involved in illegal money. That MP should lose his seat.
He should lose his seat in parliament. He should lose his seat in parliament.
Chairman.
What is IGP we are? Ubeja no ho. Maybe some question. Aha. It's the same principle.
As much as
it's the same principle.
Because you best say 50 to 75 MPs be called.
I mean, yeah, no. Look. Sir, we must crack the whip. If we don't crack the whip in 10 years time, 15 years time, where we gonna be? Can you import water? Can you? Me see last time me function was Central Region. Me call that one of the. I'm the American answer. Yeah. After me dry me boy pipe no. Me get na mo aye yellow. Me call sink no mo aye yellow. Then so na eba no aye yellow. Well, I do want to live that kind of life in the near future. Any MPBA you bet you say oh yeah galamsey, oh yeah illegal mining. So oh yeah, wakoje license say oh yeah
proper
mining. I say be no, but so ko share obe chizo oh yeah illegal mining he must lose his seat.
Chairman Joseph Adekoka, former Greater Accra Regional Chairman, NDC, American Dr. Kwabena Kokofu, a former EPA boss, and a former member of Parliament for Bantama constituency in the Ashanti region. We need to see in Sia. The Demuina Maswachina, Ada for Consulate Adom TV. Back out.